Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Peter, what are you talking about? What's happening? What happened? Good morning, guys. Good morning, Shazad, Megan. Good morning, Peter. Good morning, Tesh. Good morning, Dave. In Discords. Don't worry. If WENA breaks above, if WENA breaks 420, oof, WENA. My goodness, so many WENAs all over the place. Anyways, good morning, Chris, Didi. Good morning, John. Good morning, Jeff. Good morning. Uh, good morning, Azul. Good morning. I'm just scrolling up. TK, good morning. Good morning, Jay. Good morning, Jonathan. Good morning, DJ. Paige, good morning. Hello, everybody. Happy Wednesday, Redness Day. Hopefully, it's not a Redness Day. It's a Greenness Day. A Winner's Day is what it is. It's a Winner's Day, guys. Come on. Good morning, Samuel. Exactly. Don't let the winner enter you, please. Otherwise, you're not gonna be a winner. Look at that. Didi's. Oh, let's go, Didi. $400 on winner. Sheesh. Were you standing around the corner? Oh my goodness. Well done. Uh, they get old quick, Jonathan. Unless the stock is crashing, the jokes are not gonna get old. We nas. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Share the link as well. I'm telling you, start inviting your friends to the stream and to Discord. All of you winning alone, not good friends. Invite your friends. Tell them to come win us with us. Tell them if they want to be winners, they have to come join us. Okay? Good morning, MP. Happy Winners Day. Let's go, CM. Come on. We need to do a giveaway at some point today. The hashtag needs to be hashtag winners. Come on. Let's go. So this one's done really, really well. Congratulations. Okay. Okay. Let me pull up some other names here. My goodness, there's so many spams in Discord for winners. So many. So many. Sheesh. Whew. Let's see. Doo-doo. There you go. Anyways, I'm gonna go to the 6. Doo-doo-doo-doo. You guys are funny. I'm just reading some of these messages and then I'll come back. But there we go. Good morning, Gar. Giveaway Weena shirts. Weenas. Serving breakfast every morning plus coffee. How, MP? Since we all live in different locations, you know. What does my chart look like, Megan? I'll take a look in a second. I will take a look. I'm just too focused on Weena, you know? Weena, when you wake up in the morning, Weena. You want to be a Weena immediately, right? Anyways, so this is AIEV. This is Pablo posted this one in Discord as a sympathy play to Weena, right? Because they're both D specs. So AIEV looks good too, right? Again, nice little resistance breakout, and then the retest of the breakout. So that's perfect. Let's see if this one can gain enough momentum again to get back above $3. Deal. Just be careful with Weena, guys. Again, there's a lot of resistance. I do like though that it's holding above like $4, and or you have a triple bottom at 380. So you want to make sure that this 380 level holds. It's been bouncing off this level since the breakout. You want to really make sure that it stays above that level. There's a lot of resistance up in the 420. You should not be buying at 420 anyways. You should not, unless it breaks and it's closing above. You want to be very careful. So yeah, I do like that it's consolidating or trying to trend up, which is good, but there's a lot of resistance. Like anything can happen in this little 10-cent range, right? a lot of resistance. It could decide to break and go boom skis, or it could decide to flush on one candle back to 380. So just be careful, please, right? Some of you guys took profits already, so congratulations if you made monies, right? So a lot of you guys, again, like the first post I see for Winas in Discord were entries below $2, right? Obviously, this thing started pumping from $1.30, from $1.30. So a whole bunch of you guys got in the $2, in the $3 range. Most of you guys are in the $3 range. So congratulations. The damn thing just needs to break out though, right? Just break out. Be careful, Jason. We nah. Uh, you didn't want to FOMO into winner. You could have gotten in. No, that's okay. I mean, again, like closer to this resistance, you want to be careful. Ready? Uh, funny, Jeff. Your entry still when the market opens. Will that be your entry still when the market opens? Page, yes. The price doesn't change, right? If you bought this thing at $2, $3 in pre-market when the market opens, yeah, the number doesn't change. Check Hangout General. Under no circumstances will I check Hangout General today. Under no circumstances, unless a new member joins and they're like, "I need help me," and then I'll be like, "Maybe okay." Nui announces the reverse stock splits. Trash. Nuelis. So again, you can see there's a lot of resistance out there on that one. Pablo, this one looks good still, holding that breakout retested zone. AIEV. Then there's a whole bunch of other stocks that I, for some reason, never transferred over to. Anyways, Rivian announced last night that they had this, partnership with Volkswagen, right? $4 billion investment from Volkswagen. They also got a price target upgrade to $18. That $18 became a magnet, right? When we ran yesterday, right, last night when we were on stream, that thing failed at 19. So it broke above that 18, but then, we're back to 1650. So congratulations if you made some monies on that. It does seem like it's forming a nice little double bottom at 1620. So let's see if it stays above 1620. That's a really small time frame though, so keep that in mind. Uh, OPTK was another one, and then OPTT was another one, right? OPTK. If we can get all the symbols. OPTX. 200% on this one. This one has actually bounced really nicely off the 200. Really nicely off the 200s. But it kind of seems like it's going sideways as well. OPTT. OPTT. This one is stuck at a potential double top. I think, Megan, you were asking for this one, right? It does look good. You're just at a double top. So 1750, 1760 needs to break. If they can break above that level, then that's good. Alrighty, so you're close to resistance, right? And then your support is closer to 1450. So, and then, yeah, so 1750 needs to break if it wants to go to 20 cents. Deal? Deal. A bit of a dip there. Weena is still just going sideways, guys. Come on, Weena. Send it. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody. If I've missed you, good morning, good morning, good morning. In general, I posted in Trade Ideas at the same time. Post there and let's go, Pablo. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Love it. So again, Pablo posted AIEV. When he posted that chart, when I looked at the chart, it was playing around $3.20, and then all of a sudden it went from 320 to boom skis to 335, right? So that was a pretty nice pop. So now you're hoping that it stays above 260. If it doesn't, then we might see a bit of a dip closer to the 200 EMA. Ready? And back to winner. Okay, perfect. GPT. uh, oh my goodness. Oh, that's funny. Did you guys see the last post in HTGPT channel? Moneypenny Stock says you will address, I think he meant me, you will address me as Lord before, and alias, before our alias. And then HPGPT says, of course, Lord Knee High Duck. How may I assist you? I don't know if that's a roast or not a roast. Anyways, 316 with the cash account, and my stop loss is 330 for minor profits, but I'm hoping it will. Okay, sounds good. MLGO is going again. MLGO. Silo has some news as well. Silo. That's funny. Uh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Good morning, Rob. Hey yo. Today, re-election. Who? Winner. Winner. As long as he has winner, could be confused for OPTX in pre-market. Yeah, I just put both of them up together, Pablo, so then I wouldn't be confused. OPTX, OPTT. Sometimes these stocks run as like sympathies. You know. Wait, who's trading in the bathroom? Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Anyways, yeah. So maybe Rivian is done, right? That excitement from last night was good. AIEV. These symbols, like some of these symbols are so stupid. Like who comes up like the damn name of the company is Thunder Power. Like Thunder Power, that's the name of the company. So then, how do you go from Thunder Power to AIEV? Unbelievable, stupid. Could have used Anyways, back to WENA, guys. WENA, WENA, WENA. We need WENA to go, guys. WENA needs to go. Come on, WENA. Rob, get WENA to go. Unbelievable. TPH is already taken. Okay, fine. Thunder Power. Can you imagine that name? That stock would be squeezing. Now we have to deal with WENA. Come on, WENA. Pump it, pump it. Look at WENA go. 515. If you're holding WENA, type in yes in the chat. If you're holding WENA, I mean, that's sus, but still type in yes in the chat. At the end of the summer, and if I open a cash account, there we look at WENA, guys. Yes, Tesh, you're holding WENA. Of course, you're holding WENA. You're always holding WENA. Oh my goodness. See, Azul, it's different because you're a doctor. You're always holding WENA. You're in WENA at 340, 350. I like it. You're holding WENA, Chris? Straight to jail. Sus, Eric, you're holding WENA as well? Oh my goodness. Eric, holding winners are not good. But in this case, we'll allow it. Look, ooh, winner is going, guys. Winner, 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 winner. Ooh, we. Let's go, winners. Ooh, we winners. If you're holding winners, give me a high five. Give me a high five, guys. High five. Holding winners today is a good. I mean, it's a winning strategy. If you're not holding winner, congratulations. You played yourself. You should be holding winner. I mean, not at this price, but you're not holding any winner. Come on, Rob. You have to be holding winner. Like, how do you not hold winner? Unbelievable. Someone made a GIF actually. Someone made a thing and they posted it in Discord. I'm gonna pull it up. This is ooh, look at that thing cook, guys. Look at it cook. Ooh, look at this is you guys. This is you guys in the chat. You're like, AMC, where? Peggy, where? Winner, here I come. Here I come, winner. Oh my goodness, that thing is cooking. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Stop loss. Okay, make sure you're moving those stop losses up, guys. Make sure you're scaling out on the way up as usual, right? As much as we're having fun, you want to make sure you secure gains on the way up, right? At some point, WENA can only do so much. I mean, unless this is a different type of WENA, but most of the time, anyways, I'm just gonna leave it there. I just leave it there, guys. I just leave it there. No more WENA talk. Anyways, like, anyways, keep going, WENA. 169%, 170%, 172%, 173%. WENA is going. I know, TK. 173. Let's go, WENA. Let's go, WENA. Let's go, WENA. 469. Keep going, WENA. Who's stopping on WENA now? 5 minutes before the yeah, there you go. So the market, we have a lot of time before the market opens. This is what happens when we should when anyways. I mean, we're only at 170%, right? We have to go higher, right? Anyways, anyways. Again, make sure you have plans for your positions, right? So most of you guys are in at three something or the $2 range, and you're up quite nicely. So make sure you're securing gains on the way up, please, right? Because when this thing drops, anyways, all the jokes I want to make, anyways, but anyways, uh, if you're not in Discord, like if you're not in Discord, guys, if you're not a member, how do I get access to your TradingView charts, Casper? You want to be a winner, Casper? Come join us in Discord. That's step number one. If you're not a member, you're not a winner. You don't know, you just don't like winning, and you should anyways. So 350 fail. Let me zoom out really quickly, guys. I just want to see what the daily looks like, and then we can come back to a smaller time frame. Clearly again, like look at WENA. WENA was a slapped D-SPAC, right? SPAC, $10 straight to the abyss, right? So 52-week high, right, was 13, 13, 13, 10, right? So name change straight to the abyss, just like every other SPAC, right? SPAC name change and that. So I mean, the level that we kind of consolidated at before we had this massive crash was $5, right? So 5 to 560. Can we get to $5? That would be nice, huh? Right. So that's going to be our next, again, between 5 and 550. That's going to be our main level to watch for resistance. And then we might even have that retest, right? So we know though, right? So we mentioned this a few times this morning, right? We have a lot of support around like 380. So at the very least, you want to make sure that we stay above that zone. And then we had a hard time breaking above 325. So 325, 325, 325. We might even come back and retest that zone, which it looks like that last candle did as soon as we went to look at the other stuff. So you want to have, again, it might be a retest, and if we can hold, that's good. If not, we have that next support at the bottom, right? So let's see what happens here, WENA. Let's go, WENA. The higher the better, Rob. The higher the better. I just keep sending WENA all day. Uh, Troy, I want to see WENA going all day. Anyways. Spy is having a hard time. That's okay. Spy can have a hard time. Today we have WENA. We don't need anything else in the market. Just WENAs. There goes WENA, guys. 450. Let's go, WENA. With that name, all day. Just WENA, WENA, WENA. This is gonna be like Wusa. There goes WENA, guys. With a name like this, how much can you dip? Like, isn't there a record for like the anyways? Anyways, no more jokes. There goes WENA, guys. WENA new highs of the day. Ooh. Let's go, WENA. Let's go, WENA. Come on, WENA. 466. Let's go. Let's go, Wena. uh, oh my goodness. What a push. Give us $5. Let's start with $5, and then we can go from there. Deal? Deal. Let's go, Wena. Anyways, we have a new member, guys. Casper, welcome to the community. Not sure what level you signed up for, though. So let me take a look. Let's take a look. StreamYard needs to like they needs to. Anyways, Casper, yeah. So welcome to Discord. Go to the member only section on YouTube. There should be a link for you to join Discord. I don't know if you see the link. So members only or the community tab. There's a link right there. So click on that link. It's going to take you straight to Discord, and then just follow the steps in the getting started channel. Uh, yeah, that's the legend of the goats level. If you're a legend, you're a winner. If you're a goat, you're definitely a winner. Alrighty. So the current high for this thing is 470. Again, keep making sure your mental stop loss is higher, right? There has to be, you have to move that stop loss, right? If you're in at 350, $3, 250, $2, and it's sitting at $4.50, you have to have a level, that you tell yourself that I'm not gonna let it go below this level. Yes, I can set a stop loss, but there has to be a mental stop loss. Deal? Deal. If you've made monies or you're still holding WENA, type in yes in the chat. And either way, you're going to end up in jail. Actually, maybe if you're holding WENA, well, I mean, okay, never mind. Um, anyways, if you're selling WENAs though, you're definitely going to end up in jail. Looney, yes, all of you guys are going to end up in jail because it's all empty. Let's go, Casper. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, so click the link, go to Discord, and then follow the steps, and it's going to open all the channels for you. That playing with Wina will end up exactly, Jeff. Exactly. See, this is the only day that it's okay to hold Wina. It's okay to buy Wina. It's okay to sell Wina. Right? Let's go Winas. I almost want to go to the website. You're still in there, dolls. There you go. Congratulations. Well done. That's your second win, right? So don't let that thing go red, please. Hitman said I got in at $3.25. Give me a high five. Come on. Monty, good morning. If you're just waking up now, Monty, you're slacking. No slacking, please. No slacking. Not when the stock is up 180%. No slacking. Well done. You're playing with Weena, that's okay, Ken. If you are playing with Weena, that's okay. You can be late. You can be late if you're playing with Weena, please. I don't mind. So it looks like we're failing above like 460 for now. Right? So make sure you have that mental stop loss. I want to take a look at the company's website really quickly. Just really quickly. I want to see if they're selling winners on their website. Oh, okay. Interesting. A new medical Inc. We're committed to the development of disease modifying therapies for age-related cognitive and neurodegenerative disorders and cancers. Winners, basically. The winners is what they're saying. Yeah, I just wanted to see if there was anything like super cool on their website, right? There's nothing. There's nothing that's cool, but they'll win us though, right? So we'll take it. I want to see their products. Essential medicines. I mean, anyways, yeah, there's nothing that's super fancy on that website, so just wanted to see if we can make more jokes, you know. Anyways, virus is here, guys. No more jokes. Good morning, focus. No more jokes. Jackson, good morning. Good morning. Stop loss at 445. I like it. Laura says, I got in at $4. I really want to see $5 before sinking, before thinking about selling. Again, don't let your profits, just don't let your expectations keep you from making monies. Already? So if we're sitting at 460 and you're in at $4 and you want to see $5, there also has to be a minimum take profit level. Keep that in mind. You don't want to go from 460, right, all the way back to $4 because you were waiting for an extra 30 cents when you had 70 cents. You had 70 cents in the bag, 75 cents, but you wanted another 25 cents, so then you let all of it go, right? So always have that mental stop loss. For now, it looks really good, right? We now looks good. I told you guys today, right? Today is the only day that it's okay to hold WENA and to sell WENA and anything else that has to do with WENA. So let's go WENAs. Let's go WENAs. We want to see WENAs go to new highs though, right? So again, really good run. If you're a member, you've most likely noticed today in Discord that it was like there was a lot of WENA spamming in Discord, right? From $1.60, $2 all the way to 470. That's a really nice push. Of course, everybody's going to be spamming WENA, WENAs, WENAs. I'm surprised Virus wasn't in the chat spamming WENAs this morning. Um, Sounds good, Greg. Don't sleep on Holo. Holo needs to break above $1.20, and then we will not sleep on it. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. Share the link as well. Let's get some more people in here, right? Invite your friends. Stop winning alone, guys. If you're winning alone, you're not a winners. You're just a winner, is what you are already. So smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new. And if you want to come join us in Discords, you want to be a winners, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. Come join us. La, 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 la. There you go. You got in late, James? Okay. I'll take a look. Sometimes. Good morning, River. NVIDIA is taking a dip. Yeah. How much time do we have? Okay. 25 minutes. 25 minutes before the market opens. Let me clean up some of these. 5 minutes. Let's go. Let's go. Someone send me a DM. Weena paid for my gold membership. Let's go, guys. Weena paid for my membership. Let's go. My thoughts on Rivian. So again, Rivian, right? Rivian, like I mentioned earlier, Rivian has a little bit of support right above $16, Shireen. Right, so you want to see Rivian stay above $16. It had that run to $18. That would have been my. I said it wasn't going to go to $18 yesterday because there was a price target, right? But then at the same time they had other news, right? Other reasons to want to push, right? So then it eventually went to $19. But that $18 for Rivian would have been a nice target to sell at, right? Now you want to see that thing stay above $16. If it doesn't stay above $16, then that might be a bit of a problem. So for now, watch 16. Anyways, back to WENA, guys. Good job. I like when people scale out of positions, right? You want to scale out of positions. If you have enough and you're up nicely, you want to think about scaling out, right? So WENA clearly still looks good. Like it's holding the 20 EMA, so that's perfect, right? So that stock still looks good, but there's nothing wrong with scaling in, right? Sounds good, JD. Sounds good. I liked it in the 90 cents. Now it needs to break above, right? So, hey, yo, Joe. Yo, we not paid for your membership, Greg? Yeah, somebody's we not paid for the membership, you know? Uh, let's go. Didi said, I introduced my sister to trading and she is with us. Hi, Didi sister. I know I'm pronouncing her name wrong, but that's, she's a member, so like we get to call her whatever. Anyways, let's go. Winners. Congrats. If you made monies in WENA today, type in yes in the chat. I'm just going to keep asking, If you made money in WENA today, if you made money selling WENA today, type in yes in the chat. Good morning, Lori. Let's go. Yes, 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 yes. Uh, Harry says we're going to $10. Don't listen to Harry, please. Right? Don't listen to if you hold WENA too long and it goes down. Sheesh. If you hold WENA too long and it goes down, you're just gonna end up anyways. Oh my goodness. You didn't touch the WENA? You touched the WENA's friend though. So technically you were playing with WENA, Pyro. You played with AIEV. That was a WENA sympathy play. So technically. Let's go, WENA. Price target, John, there's no price target, right? I think the only level we've mentioned so far is we have that, resistance close to $5 because that's the level. I think Musty also posted that there was a gap to that level, right? We pushed all the way to like, about 470. So that's a pretty close push. Don't have expectations on stocks and then have your gains evaporate because you're just waiting, right? Don't do that. Harry's too busy. Harry, this thing is up 170%. Well, 169. Nice number, right? So as long as WENA keeps closing above the 20, the red line at the bottom, I like it. Ooh, WENA. WENA said, ooh, we. Right? So the little red line you see right there, the 20 EMA, we need to keep closing above. And then we need to get back above 460, 470 if WENA wants to go again. Right? You're hoping to make an entry then, Brian? Yeah, that 380. You're waiting for this level again. Yeah, let's see what happens if we get there, right? The market's open in 20 minutes, so anything can happen at the open, right? La 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 la. What's happening with FFIE, Musty? What's the violence for? It might be a little bit higher than original, but really, Jonathan, yes. You talk about strategies for scaling out 20% profit take. It depends, Chris. There's so many ways to think about scaling out, right? So it depends on the size of your position. So the size of your position, it depends on it depends on so many factors, right? So, I mean, we can say 10 scale out at 10%, but 10% to somebody is not enough, right? And also, sometimes you get to 10, 20% on a stock, and that thing clearly has a lot of fire still, like WENA, right? WENA up, WENA has a lot of juice. Anyways, you know what? I'm just going to leave it there. But it really depends. There's so many ways to scale out, right? So, why is NVIDIA dropping? What do you mean? What do you mean? Why is Nvidia dropping? Uh, Nvidia's back. Nvidia's red. Dang! What the hell happened, Nvidia? Sheesh! Nvidia took the whole market with it. Did news come out this morning? News might have. Anyways, there goes WENA, guys. The only thing that matters is WENA. Um, can you guys behave in the chat? Like, can we behave in the chat, please? WENA has a lot of like WENA is still going, guys. Let's go, WENA. Look at that 470. Ooh, WENA. 469. That's Pablo's favorite number, guys. 469. Ooh, 475. Oh my days, WENA. Ooh, why would we go anywhere else when WENA is going like this? Loving it, Kel. So again, make sure you have your mental stop loss, and the higher the stock goes, so does your stop loss. Okay. If this thing is at 350 at some point, and someone's like, "But Blaze, what do I do now? I held WENA too long, and now WENA's going down." Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Why? I'm gonna slap you. You know. Easy, Andre. There goes WENA. WENA, new highs of the day, guys. WENA is for winners, guys. If you're a winner, give yourself a high five. Give me a high five if you're holding WENA. High five, guys. WENA. I mean, do we need to talk about any other stocks today when we have a stock named WENA? WENA. Is anything else even moving, guys? The only thing that's moving is the other stock that's connected to WENA, guys. This is a WENA sympathy play, AIEV, right? WENA sympathy. Rivian is not a winner. Rivian is going down. OPTX, OPTT, not winners. They're both going down. OPTT though, that thing needs to break above 1760 and then it's gonna pop. So if it does, good. Anyways, there goes WENA. So we know we have major resistance the closer we get to $5, right? Yeah. If you're not holding WENA, you don't deserve a high five. Also, if you're not a member, you don't deserve a high five, right? Okay, so if you're not a member, become a member. Come join us in Discord. Deal? Then you can become a winner. Cool, cool. FFIE. All of you guys spamming FFIE in the chat. I mean, it's at 31 cents, so that's a good thing, right? This is the same level it was at last night, right? When we looked at FFIE last night, it went to 33 cents. So it's not like it's breaking like a magic number, you know. Also, it's failing on the supply zone. Anyways, back to WENA, guys. Please, can you leave me alone with rubbish? I just want to look at WENAs. Deal? Like, okay, good. There goes 480, guys. Can I feel wait for it? Wait, the only thing we're waiting for now is a winner thrust. Let me go find the thrust beats, guys. Come on, winner. Good morning, Piki. Good morning, good morning. Again, if you're not a member yet and if you were a member this morning and you were in stock general like you're supposed to be in the morning, there's no way you missed winner. You would be in this stock, right? So if you're a member and you're slacking, then we have a problem. Cool. This stock has been getting spammed in Discord, and it's been jokes all morning in Discord, from $2 all the way to $5 almost. So if you're not a member yet, I don't know what to tell you. Yeah. Okay, cool. So 15 minutes before the market opens, guys, again, we are getting close to resistance now, so be careful, right? Make sure you have a mental stop loss, right? At some point at the open or before the open, we might see a nice fat red candle. So just be aware of that. Hopefully it doesn't happen, but alrighty. Cool. We kind of need that thing to break above the high so we can thrust. Anyways, la. You sound crazy. On an earphone at work, JD. That's okay. That's okay. And you're going to take back 20 minutes, okay? So you can pick up so you can get in, Jonathan. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, let's see if we even get a red candle, right? So your next support is closer to 450, right? So that 20 EMA will act as support, even though we really should be looking for that last dip area, right? I'm still just going to be looking at that 20 EMA for now. Anyways, the dips are being bought on WENA. I mean, who doesn't want to buy WENA, you know? News, okay. Yeah, CYCC. Notice of intention. It's a grand new European patent covering. Okay, cool. Interesting. Rely also has news. Rely announces a reverse stock split. Every company wants to do a split lately. The audio plug. Oh, come on, behave. Yeah, so OPTT still needs to break above 1750 for anybody that's watching or holding that. Alrighty. AIEV still failing at that same resistance, $2.80-ish. So that's a level that it needs to break if it wants to go. And then WENA is still just playing in the same range. With their able to get out of the group, Lewis. I mean, it's about time they won something, you know. Useless team. I'm kidding. kidding. About time they won something. Anyways, there goes a nice little dip ski here. Let's see if we can stay above 450, $4.50. Right? Oh, funny. Question for you guys in the chat. What's your favorite name going into the open? For some of you guys, you might not like to hold winners. So then you might be holding like AMC or something, or GME. But for some people, they like to hold WENA and be winners. So anyways, what's your favorite name going into the open, guys? Let me know. Anything else? Ooh, Jackson, you like WENA? Okay. Rivian and OPTT. Okay, sounds good. Good morning, Henry. WENA and GME. Okay, I'm glad you like WENA and GME as well, not just GME. Good. WENA all day, Harry? Oh my goodness. Straight to jail. Who doesn't like WENA, AJ? You're in Chipotle? Okay, yeah, so Chipotle splits. Um, yeah, BT, okay. NXU, Musty. You don't want to be a winner, do you? You could have easily been a winner, Musty. You were up nice and early. You could have seen the name winner, and you're like, damn, that's 200%. This is opportunity cost, Musty. Opportunity cost. This is what happens when you diamond hand, you know? Now opportunities will come, and there's no way you can, act on those opportunities, which is annoying, you know? Anyways, yeah, let's see if we can start to curl above the 20 EMA here. So this level right above 450, that kind of needs to hold, right? You want to see that thing start to curl. If not, then we're looking for this next demand zone, right? It's always fishy when we go into the open because some people just want it to like it's one of those things, right? Some people just like taking profits at the open or into the open, right? We have 10 minutes to go, so we are holding up the 20 EMA though, which is good, right? So that little red line, like I said, is what we're going to be paying attention to now, right? If we can stay above that red line, Christmas. So let's see if we can. Good morning, Steve. Are you a winner, Steve? Steve is a winner, guys. Come on, send it. You're scared of the open, Ken? Don't be scared if you're green, please. Don't be scared, please. Funny. Someone edited the dem. Hot winner live. Troy, you're going to maximum jail, maximum security. You need something like two. I mean, the audio plug. If you became a member and you joined Discord and you bought Wena, you could have been, yeah. No, a WENAS, Wenas, Steve. That's different, you know. You're a winner in the Lord. I like it. I like it. We need to thrust, huh? Yeah. Once we get back above the 9 EMA, we can thrust, you know. Or if we can push back to 470s, then we can thrust. 420, it's pretty Lewis. As long as your winner is green, that's good. So hopefully the market treats you well today, Trevor. Yeah, hopefully. Hopefully. And thrusting, yes, please. It's green, good. You can't until exactly at the mark. You can't time zones. Do auto stops? No, no one can. No one can set stop losses until the market opens in 8 minutes. Um, Peter's like, oh my god, I'm leaving, guys. Too much winners. No, I did not. I'm gonna go look. Where is it, Pablo? Oh yeah. Oh, I saw when you posted like DITC winners, and then that's the other one. I think I saw. It wasn't a list. It was just like a post. Yeah. No, the problem is it has copyright stuff on it, so that's an issue. We're gonna need to get back above the 9 EMA, right? The blue line, right, guys? We break below the blue line, we need to curl back above the blue line. So that line is gonna be very important, right? Yeah. Come on, winner. For the winner. La 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 la. Then back. I like it, Steve. Well done. Here we go. We're back to four. So we are holding the 9 EMA. We are holding the 20 EMA, the red line. Even though we're dipping below, that's a whole different. That's completely okay. We just need to get back above the 9 if it wants to push. Uh, just active when the market opens, yeah. But then it really doesn't count though. Is this guy yapping about Winas? Yeah, well, yapping about Wena. WENA. That's the name. That's the ticker symbol. Not get your mind out of the gutter, please. WENA. That's the ticker symbol on the right hand corner, right there. Right? WENA. So if you're thinking anything else, your mind is in the gutter and you deserve to be in jail. Straight to jail. There we go. We're bouncing off the 20. So that little red line you see at the bottom there, as long as we keep holding it, we are winners, guys. Yeah, exactly. Winner. Yeah, 7 minutes or 6 minutes. So we're having a hard time reclaiming the 9 EMA, but we are bouncing up the 20 EMA. So we do need to get back above that 9. This one really isn't doing much. AIEV, right? Not really doing anything there. Rivian again. So it looks like we bounced up 16. So that's good for now. OPTT looks like it's on the verge of breaking out, which is good. So OPTT, right? It really needs to break above like this resistance, that's 1750-ish, 1760, right? So it needs to break and close above that level. But for now, we'll focus on the WENA, guys, right? Here we go, WENA. Come on, WENA. Let's go, WENA. Let's go, WENAs. Come on, WENA. Send it. My goodness. Anyways, good morning, Dan. Good morning, everybody else. I missed you. Yeah, Weena may be tired, guys. Weena's done a lot of work today, so Weena might be resting. Like that's a pretty nice run, right? From $1.65 all the way to 480. Pretty nice run, but it is holding. You want to be cautious anyways because the market opens in 5 minutes, right? Just in case people want to take profits. There's always going to be volatility at the open. Like the levels change once the market opens, right? You might have to give it 5 minutes or so for Weena to relax, rehydrate, and then but we need to thrust though because we haven't thrusted yet for Weena this morning. you know Anyways, la 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 la, la 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 la. Oh, Pablo, I see your watch list now. Oh, hims. Hims. Oh, lordy. Anyways, there we go. So we are bouncing really nicely. Ooh, you know what? We might as well get the thrust going before the market opens. Come on, people. Are we ready for the thrust? Are you ready? We might as well get it going. Come on, party people. You guys know what time it is. If you're a member, you're a winner. If you're green, you're a winner. If you bought winner, you're a winner. If you're making monies, you're a winner. If you're here, you're a winner. Come on. Let the beat drop. And to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. And what? Come on. And thrust. Go, 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 winners. Make monies. And what? And thrust. And what? Come on. To the left, to the window, when Lambo, to the sun, at night, by winner, just kidding. Come on, get naked, make monies, go, winners. Come on. Come on, people. It's Wednesday morning. We're making monies. I need you to put your hands up in the sky, please. If you're being nice, put those hands up in the sky because I want to see you guys thrusting. Okay? Give me those fist bumps. It's time to wake up. We have 3 minutes before the market opens. 2 minutes. I need you guys to wake up. And what? And thrust. Go, go, winners. Come on. And what? And thrust. Go, 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 go. Come on. Let the sweat drip, drip. Go, go. And what? And thrust. Okay. Let's pretend like that didn't just happen. Let's go back to the markets. Okay, let's go back. If anybody shows up, oh dang, that's a new playlist. Okay, nothing happened, guys, right? Nothing happened. I apologize, if you're new to the community and you had to deal with that, but welcome to the community. Alrighty? Don't forget to smash a like before the market opens, guys. Like I said earlier, right? Be very careful. People like to take profits at the open. right? For most of these names, again, this thing has gone up 200% almost today, right? Most of you guys are green. All of you guys are green. There's not a single one of you that's in this stock above 450, right? So please make sure you manage your positions accordingly, right? Summer barbecue, Lewis. So yeah, again, just be careful. We're gonna get volatility at the open. The market's open in 23 minutes, right? 20 seconds. Did I say 23 minutes? 20 seconds. Alrighty. So don't uh, don't go to the bathroom because the market's about to open. Uh, Time for you to leave, Pablo. Yeah, there you go. Right. So let's see if we get some selling pressure at the open. Good morning, Alan. If not, then that's okay too. Right. And the market just opened, and Weena said, "Are you kidding me, guys? Weena is winning." Look at that. Immediately, Weena said, "Go up." But again, this is volatility you should expect anyways at the open. That thing said, "Yep, yep, yep." Damn, Weenas. Oh my goodness. Weenas is for weeniest, guys. Look at that. We're about to. There goes new highs of the day. Oh my days! I'm surprised they haven't halted this thing yet. Again, expect volatility. It's gonna pump like that, though. It's also gonna drop like that. Alrighty. Whew. My goodness! Look at the size of the candle on that thing. Why did we expect anything different on a stock that's called WENA, guys? Again, please make sure you scale out on the way up. This is perfect because if you were panicking earlier, you got a chance to sell higher, or you set your stop loss higher, right? Again, volatility. Expect volatility. It's going to go up, it's going to go down, and then as time goes on, right, we should have a few more candles. Oh my goodness, Weena. Oh my goodness, Weena said the market is open 490. Oh my goodness, Weena. Sheesh. There's that $5 range that $5 level we wanted, by the way. There's the $5 we wanted. Uh there we go. Let's go, Weena. Let's go, Weena. There's your $5, right? So again, congratulations. Let's go, Winas. If you made money in Weena, guys, if you're still holding Weenas, type in yes in the chat. If you made monies or you're still holding Weena, type in yes in the chat. What an absolute monster. What an absolute monster. What an absolute monster. Let's see. Okay, stops. Okay. Some scaling out. See Senor, guys. See Senor. Right. So again, congratulations on this one, guys. Right. Well done. You guys are the bestest. Let's go, Jackson. Of course we are. We like to have fun and we like to make monies, right? This is why we don't pay too much attention to, if you asked last night, hey Blaze, like what do you think is gonna pump tomorrow? I don't care. I don't know. Well, I do care, but I don't know, right? But then this morning we get winners, right? So we like to have fun and we like to make money. So we move on to where we make monies, right? AIEV is the sympathy play to winners. It's all about winners this morning, guys. It's all about the winners, right? This is a sympathy play to that thing, right? D-SPAC, they're both kind of pumping at the open, so that's good. Let's go, Winas, let's go. Right, so again, we mentioned earlier, when you zoom out and you look at the daily chart for WENA, there's a lot of resistance right at $5, right? So from $5 to 550, there's a lot of resistance, right? That's kind of what we wanted. We wanted $5 at least, right? There's your $5. So make sure you have a stop loss, right? This is so easy for you to manage now because you can now say, you know what? It's pushing up. Let me just set my stop loss at whatever price I want to set it at, right? None of you guys should be red on this stock. If you're red, you're just greedy. Like if you go red on this stock, you're very greedy and you might need to close your trading account. right? So don't be greedy. Make sure you have a stop loss in the green. How can I enter in pre-market things? MD, you have to have the right broker and the right way to whatever broker you're using. Uh, go search how to play pre-market on that specific broker, and it's going to show you. Alrighty. So there goes your dip skis to 470. Right. So again, expected, yeah. Right. So if you're gonna get back in, make sure you see that it's consolidating, please. Right? Make sure you see that it's consolidating. Don't just pick a number and say, okay, that's the number I'm waiting for, because if that number doesn't hold, then you have a bit of a problem, right? So let's see if we can stay above 450 though, right? So 450 is that level we had. Like that's kind of the level we consolidated at before the market opened. So let's see if we can find a base around 450. If not, let it consolidate. Cool, cool. There goes 450, right? And it's not even holding yet. So again, this is why when, especially at the open, you want to see consolidation, because then if you just jump in at 460, you have a problem, right? Because then it's 10 cents lower, it's 15 cents lower, right? And then you're hoping that it goes back up, which it most likely will, but at the same time, you're hoping, right? So there you go. So, anyways, let's see if we can stay above that demand zone at least, right? Stay above the demand zone, and then you're fine. This one is cooking. Look at that, right? AEIV is cooking. So highs of the day on this thing was 335, right? Pablo mentioned this in Discord at $2.20 because it was a sympathy play, to WENA, right? So really good run on this one. If you caught this one, congratulations. FFIE is finally back to the top, guys. So congrats if you're holding this one. Jameson is smiling this morning. Let's go. Congrats, Jameson. Jameson was spamming me all the last night because of FFIE. Highs of the day, including last night too, which is really good, Jameson. Congratulations. Well done. So that's a nice push. I mean, it's about time though. That thing has been getting slapped. About to halt. FFIE. No, FFIE is not going to halt. It's too small. This one, maybe, right? AIEV. Tesla's at 190? No way. Really? Isn't the S&P red this morning? How the hell is Tesla at 190? Uh, oh, damn. Look at Tesla, 190. How the hell did Tesla get to 190? And the S&P is red. Sheesh. No, again, we've said this like quite a few times this week, right? Tesla looks nice. Like the daily chart for the daily and the 4 hour charts for Tesla. I don't know if you've noticed, but we've kind of liked Tesla, lately. So we haven't been trashing Tesla. That's because the chart actually does look really nice. So maybe we shouldn't be surprised that it's green today, right? Maybe it's Tesla's turn. So we're not still holding 450, guys. The candles are closing above 450, so that's a good thing. Let's see if that thing can start to curl. And if you're holding FFIE, congratulations, because that thing is also cooking. Alrighty, congrats. A whole bunch of you guys are still holding this from the abyss. So hopefully, Rivian is falling like a tomato rock. Surprise! Not really. I think Rivian is the ugliest car that I've ever seen. Maybe Mullen. Maybe Mullen, right? But again, they had good news last night. If you took advantage of that, congratulations. There's no point diamond handing stuff like that, right? $18 would have been a really good level to exit at, because that's the price target, anyways, right? So now it's dropping. I'm sure at some point though it's going to consolidate and then bounce again. But gap ups, people take profits, right? WENA is dropping, right? Again, look at WENA. Do you see consolidation on WENA, guys? If you're gonna buy WENA, don't just pick a level and say, "Oh yeah, I want to buy that level," right? You guys know what to do, right? So again, dip, consolidation, curl. If WENA is not consolidating and curling, you do not buy it, right? So let's see if that thing can stay above $4. We just keep looking for the next level and the next and the next, right? The money's rotating all the way to AIEV. If you're holding AIEV, type in yes in the chat. Jackson, stop losses love you too, right? High five. Well done. Oh my goodness, WENA. I say WENA because it's a sympathy play to WENA, right? But AIEV is cooking here now, right? Cooking. For oh my goodness, 387. Like that money is just rotating over. See Senor, see Senor. Again, if you're not a member in Discord, right, you're really missing out. You're really, really, really missing out. Right? So that's again, Pablo posted this in the morning, right? An hour and a half before the market opened. Well, it's at $2.20. Well, clearly it's not at that price anymore, right? La, la. So that's why we call Pablo the king of SPACs, guys. The king of SPACs, because he saw the sympathyness and then said, "Let's go, guys." In at 280. Well done, Kel. Well done. Well done. Well done, skis. So again, stop missing out, right? So this is let me and there goes a drop. So again, make sure you have a stop loss, please, and thank you. We don't want you diamond handling stuff, right? Take your monies and run. These plays don't have like reasons to be running. They're running because they're running because retail is jumping in, right? Retail momentum, right? So again, that's your sympathy play this morning, right? There was only one sympathy play. AIEV despat on the same day as WENA. Watching, there you go, right? It wasn't really moving at the time, right? So congratulations if you saw that and you took part of that play. Looks like Rivian is bouncing now finally. So that's good. FFIE with a bit of a dip, but that thing still looks good. OPTT, guys, again, we mentioned this earlier, right? So if you bought OPTT, congratulations, right? We mentioned that if OPTT could break above 1760, 17, what is it? 1770, 1760, right? That's your breakout for OPTT, right? A lot of resistance. When it breaks above that resistance, send it, right? There goes 20 cents, right? So congratulations if you're in this one as well. It looks like WENA is trying to consolidate around $4, so hopefully it actually does, right? And then let me take a look at GRDI. This is like day number 3 that this thing is running. Day 3 now, which is quite impressive actually, right? So nice little break above the 200 and then boom skis. So congratulations. Cool, cool. It looks good. Not sure if you guys have questions, but yeah, it looks good, right? If I look to the left hand side in pre-market, you can see the double top on GRDI, right? Can you see it right there, right? So 275, right? 275 double tops. So just be mindful. So if you're jumping in at 275, be very careful, please, please and thank you. Tesla is at 195. Impossible. Impossible. Tesla, if Tesla breaks above 196, it's over. Okay, no, Tesla is yeah, 192. Yeah, if Tesla breaks above the 200, it's done. Finished. It's gone skis. There goes GRDI again at 175. So it's going to need to break above 275, sorry, 275 and close above 275 and then send it to $3. So that's that. WENA's dropping still, right? Again, no signs of consolidation and a curl for WENA. If you're trying to, again, so this is what I mentioned earlier. This is what I said earlier, right? If you're looking to buy a stock, please don't just randomly pick out a level and say, "Hey guys, I want to buy at this price." It doesn't matter. It does not matter one bit, right? You have to get to that price. You have to consolidate. You have to see signs of wanting to curl. If not, you're just taking a gamble. If you bought this thing at 450 because it had support at that price, well, guess what? It's at 385 now, and it's selling off to that level we had earlier, that 380-ish level we had earlier for support, right? A lot of you guys were waiting for 380, so here's 380. The question now though is, can we consolidate above 380? Right? Again, please use stop losses, right? Stop losses, take gains, wait for the dipskis, right? And if we can stay above 380, that's perfect. That would actually be a nice dip, right? Cool, cool. FFIE is cooking on the other hand, right? That thing is almost back to 40 cents. So again, Jameson, congratulations. Congratulations, Jameson. Make sure you take profits, please. Please and thank you. That thing is cooking. My goodness. Binda, upgrade to GOAT, sign up for one-on-one. Let's have a chat. If you guys are not sure, like when to, like if we're having this conversation, and we're saying the same thing all the time about like when to look for entries, and you guys are still not sure, become a GOATs member, Binda. Right? Sign up for GOATs for a month. Let's talk about entries. That's really gonna help you out, right? If you're not sure what to do for entries and you're still asking and wondering, upgrade to GOAT for a month, right? Educate yourself. So then you're not asking me like, hey, can I buy this now? Because I'm not gonna say yes, right? I'm not gonna say yes. You can buy this now, right? But you need to understand like what you're looking for when it comes to entries, right? Damn Tesla, my goodness, Dan. Tesla is cooking today. Again, you can see GRDI still failing at that 275, right? Double top 275 resistance. The closer FFIE gets to 40 cents, the more likely it is that it will have a bit of a dip, right? So maybe retest the 9 EMA or retest the 20, but at some point it will. That's a pretty solid bounce, though. That's a really good bounce. Wow. Congratulations, guys. Again, if you're not sure what to do, there goes 39 pennies. Whew. Right, look at WENA. WENA is still dipping, guys, right? It doesn't matter that WENA is at $3.80. I don't care that there's support at 380, right? I want to see that thing give me signs, right? So when you ask for support, support is one thing, but the way we get there is another thing, right? You don't just buy stocks because you have the level in the back of your mind, right? Look at WENA drop, right? Have stop losses, take profits, blah, 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 blah. When you're looking for dips, don't just randomly guess like, hey, I think, but Blaze said there was support at 380. But oh my God, how come it's not bouncing at 380, right? It doesn't matter, right? Doesn't matter. OPTT looks really good, guys. FFIE said screw 40 cents. That thing is cooking. FFIE is cooking. My goodness. No, no, like I said, no one should be holding a bag in WENA. Not a single one of you should be holding bags. There goes 41 cents. Whew. Well done, Jameson. Rivian, about 10,000 instead of right now, and for you can Rivian, you bought a whole bunch instead of oh my goodness, look at GRDI, right? Again, double top. Look at pre-market, right? Pre-market resistance. History doesn't repeat, but it rhymes, right? We fail once, we fail again. Surprise, maybe not so much, right? Your next support is 215 ish for GRDI. You bought 10,000 shares of Rivian. RIV. Hopefully you're green in that. You should be green in that position. Yeah, you're nice and green. Or $10,000 in cash. Yeah, you're nice and green, right? I would for you like if like like sell half of that position because it was a mistake. Say thank you very much. Sell half of that position and then set a stop loss in the green for the rest of the position, right? And either way, you're gonna end up being nice and green, right? Deal. Yeah, WENA still dropping, guys. Let it drop. Let it go to the abyss if it wants to. It can go to zero if it wants to. If it's not consolidating, we don't touch WENA, right? It doesn't matter. Like it can keep dropping. So, like I said, if you're looking at this and you're like, damn, when do I buy this? And you're not a GOATS member, upgrade to GOATS, right? OPTT looks amazing, right? So congratulations if you're holding OPTT, right? Again, all it had to do was break above that resistance at 1760. That's it, right? Break above resistance, retest resistance, and then bye-bye, right? So OPTT looks really good. FFIE, whew, my goodness, FFIE. It's like the shorts are panicking on this one. My goodness. Oof, my goodness. Damn. Oh my goodness, these candles. Wow. Jameson, when are you gonna lock in some gains? When are you gonna lock in some gains, Jameson? For all of you diamond handers, this thing is it's bringing some of you guys back to life. So congratulations. Yeah. Almost 10,000%. But the shorts have to cover you at a dollar, Jameson. Oh my goodness! Please, Jameson is like, this time I know sell, guys. This time I know sell. Ah, okay. I see Jameson. I see why. I see why. I see why. Those 50 cents would have been really nice, though. No, it has a virus. Yeah, that has copyright music on it. So yeah. So there goes your 50 cent test and then a dip ski, right? Surprise, not so much. Yeah. And gambled on a stop loss, of course. Currently up 64%. Jackson, congratulations. Well done. Yeah. Very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah, all these stocks young, all of them LRHC. $1. $2, and that's your average for FFIE 275. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Let's go, Musty. Musty has been spamming this one all morning though. So again, Ken, congratulations on this one, by the way. Right? That looks really, really good. Right, Rivian. That's a solid bounce. Right? So congratulations on messing up and buying a lot more than you wanted to. So congratulations, because that thing's done really well. And WENA is finally bouncing here, it seems. But that thing needs more time, in my opinion. Needs more time to consolidate and then get back above the 9 EMA and the 200, and then maybe a higher low. And then maybe it's ready to start pushing again. Yeah. You're almost three, almost already. Congratulations. Congratulations, Young. Well done. Congratulations. Yeah, Rivian has had a really nice bounce. So you should have a bit of resistance though in the next, again. So the next 20 cents, right? La la la. I didn't, yeah. No, so your resistance is at 1650. So anywhere in this range, 1630, 1640, 1650. A lot of resistance. Stop loss at 38, Jackson. Well done. You made 350, Rodney. Congratulations. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. OPTT. Yeah, at least NVIDIA is back in the green. Space. Going to space. Yeah, so WENA is dropping again, right? So that's why I mentioned again, WENA needs more time. If it's going to bounce, it needs more time, way more time, right? Just because the stock has two green candles doesn't mean we go jump in, right? And there goes retesting the bottom, 338, right? So that thing needs way more time to consolidate. If it doesn't consolidate and curl back above the 9 EMA, then WENA can suck it. Okay, perfect. So for now, though, it does kind of look like a double bottom at 340, doesn't it? Right? But it still needs to consolidate. Deal? Deal. And then FFIE is bouncing off 40 cents for now, so that's good. Yeah. And then OPTT still looks good, holding 20 cents. That looks like a retest of the 20 EMA, which is nice, right? That's a breakout retest. So again, breakout on the left, resistance right there, a breakout right there, and then a retest right there above the 20 EMA. So that's perfect. Alrighty. And then AIEV drop C's, right? It also looks like a retest, doesn't it, of that initial first like market open resistance, right? So 275 breakout, right? Importance of closing candles above the blue line with today's, yeah, exactly, right, Pablo, right? I mean, look at the break below the blue line, right? Look at this. We keep saying like don't buy stocks below the blue line, right? For a reason. As soon as that thing closed below the blue line at 475, what's happened, guys? Right? What's happened? That thing's been below the entire time, right? So it does look like it's trying to consolidate now, though, above 340, which is good, but it's going to need to curl and give us a bit more consolidation, right? So And then OPTT, nice test and bounce. Nice test. Uh, Looking for a run to 80 cents on the 1 hour. Okay, sounds good, Jameson. At the open, let's go two for two after WENA consolidates, Jonathan. Let's go, monies. Monies. 42.20, 44.20. Why that specific number? I wouldn't worry about that, Jameson. I wouldn't worry about the shorts having to cover anything. Alrighty? I wouldn't worry about that. There we go. 2230. And Rivian is failing at the 200, right? So surprise, no, right? So again, double top 200 EMA supply zone resistance. And then FFIE is still playing with 40 cents. And we're still holding AIEV, that 275 retest, so that's good. And then WENA is still holding, right? So WENA is holding that 240, so that's good. 340. So that thing better stay above 340. If it goes below 340, dead skis, right? So $3.40 needs to hold for WENA, and then push it back up. Alerts, perfect. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Don't forget to smash a like if you haven't. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. You're missing out, on making monies, right? So again, click the link at the bottom of the chat. Become a member. Come join us in Discord. Make sure you sign up for the right level. Cool. If I pull up conversations this morning between WENA and Rivian last night and AIEV and FFIE, you would have made your membership money like just like that, right? So again, type in yes in the chat if you made your membership money today on one play. There goes a bounce on WENA, right? So WENA is finally consolidating, guys, a little bit, right above 340. So it needs to stay above 340. La 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 la. Fake Newtons? What do you mean, Chris? Not sure I understand your question. But a week and a half ago, Jackson. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. uh, and then there goes this one bouncing as well. So WENA and AIEV, they're both moving the same here. OPTT looks good. We're back to 23. Well, for a second, 23. Let's go, Ken, and much more. Not as much as I was hoping, but still very good for the day, Ken. Love it. Right, there goes 23. The fig cookie. Anyways, there goes 24 cents for OPTT, guys. That looks really good. Congratulations if you're holding this. That last high was 24.40, so that's going to be a level to break above. If you're holding OPTT, type in yes in the chat. Give me a CC or there goes WENA finally bouncing, right? So 375 for WENA. Surprise? Not so much, right? Not so much WENA. So OPTT. So just be mindful that there's a potential double top up there at 24.40, please, 24.50. Mitchell. Right. So again, double top potentially. So be careful. Make sure you have a stop loss, please. Pretty please. Pretty please. There it goes. That thing just tapped 24.50. You wish it was at 44, huh? There goes a break above the last high. So OPTT looks good. 25 pennies. 50 still in half. What done? What done? Love it. I like it's crazy. You can see the difference. Like you can really see, like when I say you guys should become goats, become a goat member for a month and get some proper help. Like I every time I see CM in the chat, I know he's put in the work and he had some one-on-ones. CM, come on, give me a high five. Let's go. Right? CM and I had a lot of like one-on-one sessions, right? Might have been like 2 months, but right? A lot of one-on-one sessions. and CM has been cooking since. So for those of you guys that slack on investing in yourself, I don't know what to tell you. Laura says, I've been making my membership money every day. I had two bad days, but they were totally my fault. Yesterday I didn't have much signal, and Monday you didn't have a stop loss. There you go. Love it, Laura. Right, every single day. If you're not a member, you're just missing out. Uh, and exactly, Harold. Exactly. High five. FFIE bounced really nicely off 40 cents, so hopefully it stays above 40 cents. Ready? And OPTT, nice little push, 27, and then back down. Yeah. Vacations. Like I did a few weeks back. CCM, Keith. Okay, I'll keep it on the watch list. There you go. That's not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah, that thing is pushing back up to the to 46 cents again, Musty. Right? And then that last fill was at 48 cents. Anytime you get close to 50 cents, you know people are going to take some profits anyways. So that thing can break about 50 cents. That might be flames. 50 cents for FFIE. Oof, look at that. Back to the highs. Double tops. 48 pennies. 48 pennies. There goes 49 pennies. 49 pennies. Oh my goodness, 50 pennies, guys. $49 pennies. Very nice. Very, very nice. It said screw your double top. Yeah, it hasn't closed above it yet though, right? So that's the most important thing. It's still below 48 cents, right? So, but that's a really nice push. 70 cents. You're gonna make Jameson. Anyways, there goes 50 cents. Ooh, nice. You're overwhelmed, Jackson, with the gains. Don't be overwhelmed, please. Right? Don't be overwhelmed. Just be smiling. That's a really nice push. This is bringing a lot of people back to life because I know most of you guys just diamond handed this. This is why it's really important to imagine you were holding FFIE, right? Imagine you were holding FFIE at a dollar, at a dollar, right? And you took your loss, 90 cents, 80 cents, right? And then you got back in at 30 cents or whatever in the 20s, right? Like this run like brings your monies back, right? Like it's okay to take small losses and you can play the same stock again if you have to, right? But that thing is cooking. There goes 53 cents now for FFIE. Baron, check it out. I mean, we've been watching that thing all morning. There's OPTT, right? Been watching this thing all morning, from the breakout all the way to the top, right? FFIE, there goes 54 cents. Oh my goodness, you have 20,000 in FFIE. Some of you guys play with impressive monies. I'm not sure I understand that question, so I'm gonna ignore it. Make sure you're taking profits, right, Carl? Let's go. Musty, if you sold NXU, right? If you sold NXU and you got into this, boom skis 100% musty, right? Opportunity cost. Opportunity cost musty. Oh, you do? Oh, okay, beautiful. I like it. I like it. I like it, musty. I like it a lot. Good. Good, musty. Good. My goodness. Good. Okay. That makes me happy. Goods, goods, goods. What's a decent stop loss? I would go right below 50 cents. You stay green, Bobby. After hours yesterday, Carl. Yeah, Jameson is Jameson. How green are those calls now? Jameson is holding some $1 calls. As soon as that thing broke above 50 cents, those calls should really start to print, Jameson. So again, you can honestly just take out your initial investment, Jameson, and say, okay, the rest is house monies, right? Yeah, Wena is still holding that support, guys, right? Wena is still holding that 340, right? So, um, right? Wena is still holding that 340, right? So 340 support for Wena, and it's finally consolidating, right? And there goes 370. So Wena, send it, Wena. And at some point, you want to see FFIE consolidate and see if you can hold 50 cents ish, and then go from there. Uh, you almost bought 150 50 cent calls. Those would have been amazing, Daniel. Entry at 41. Well done, DD. Congratulations. Yeah, nice copy. That's you greedy, James. Don't be greedy, please. But it is pushing that. There goes Weena, guys. Oof, Weena. Right? Again, if you simply just waited for this thing to drop like a tomato, right? Look at this. Like if you simply just waited and waited and waited and waited and waited and waited until you saw that it was actually doing something at the bottom here at 340, guess what? You're happier now, right? You're happier. So when you're gonna buy something and you see it dropping like a tomato like that, I would rather you don't like I would rather you wait and wait and wait and miss the run up than you just jump in because you think it's at a good level. Alrighty, OPTT still looks okay, 25 cents. And Weena still having a hard time at 380, right? So we know 380 was that breakdown, right? 380 was initially like the support. So now Weena needs to close about 380 if it wants to push back up. So that 380 level, really important. Jameson, give me a damn high five. Come on. A hard high five too, for now. Well done, Jameson. Yeah, good job. And then Rivian failed at resistance. I don't think that's a massive surprise. Ken, hopefully you took some profits, right? Again, resistance. And then dipskis. Maybe you're going to get a higher low off this uptrend, right? Maybe you're going to get a higher low off like 1530, right? 1540, a higher low. But hopefully you took some gains off the table though. Cool. So again, WENA resistance, $3.80. FFIE, you just want to see that thing stay above 50 cents, right? It does look good still. There goes 57 again, 58. Off to the races. 58 pennies. And yeah, so again, be mindful, WENA has resistance up there. There goes new highs of the day, guys. Oh my goodness, FFIE. Whoo! Tesla's at 194 now. I want to look at the daily for Tesla because I think again I think what we mentioned was that 200 EMA on the daily, right? Uh, you guys slack on some of the educational stuff, like really slack. Uh, well done, Ken. No, not Weena. Not Weena. Weena looks good now. Weena is trying to break above 380. So Rivian is what I was talking about, like that position you were supposed to sell for Rivian, right? Rivian is having a hard time at 380, and that's to be expected. Yeah. Yeah. No, Jameson, don't worry about it. That thing will be back to 50 cents at some point, right? And then let's see if it consolidates. That thing pushed to 60 cents really quickly, but then it's back to 56, right? So I don't think I'd be overly concerned about like you taking profits at this price. Not quite yet. Uh, with the stop loss pyro, I know everybody does. Everybody has a love-hate relationship, with stop losses. But it only takes one position that you don't have a stop loss in to destroy your account and you're done. Like you're finished. Right? It just takes one position that you didn't set a stop loss on, and that erases all your gains for the last month, for the last year. Right? So I would rather you set stop losses, guys, and it kicks you out. At least you still have your gains, at least you still have your monies. Like, at least you still have your monies. Um, but yeah, anyways, Weena is really trying to get back above that 380, so that's good. Come on, Weena. You can do it, Weena. You can do it. Okay, to edit that. And Weena's like, nope, 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 straight back to the abyss. Since using exactly Pyro, like stop losses will, like it's really frustrating when your stop loss hits. Like it's really frustrating, and then the stock turns around and goes right back up. Uh, but the times where your stop loss hits and the stock goes straight to zero, right? So like I would rather you put a stop loss and it hits than not have a stop loss at all, and then you watch the stock go to the abyss, right? It only takes one. Like it only takes one stock that you don't have a stop loss in, and then you're done, right? And you're done skis. Okay, I need to edit that. Yeah, Nvidia is back to 178. 178. Okay, there we go. That should be fixed. Okay. Uh, yeah, it might take a while for that thing to update. CMG, like the option chain, might take a little bit. You needed that explicit, yeah. Small wins, right? That thing's back to 50 cents, right? Like we like expected. So the damn thing isn't gonna break above 50 cents and just go go go. It's at 49 cents now. So Jameson, I'm sure you're smiling, right? So let's see if we can stay above the 20 EMA here. Weena is still playing with that same support, right? Same. It's kind of trending up now, which is interesting. I don't like the volatility and the fact that it's below 380, so it's gonna need to get back above 380 already. Rivian is curling. Ooh, Rivian is using like our little circle as our little line as a curly, right? So let's see if Rivian can get back to $16 though. $16, and FFIE is holding the 20. So it actually came back almost to that 48 cents, the level that it broke out from. It almost came all the way back down, and then back up to 50. You did 20 minutes ago. Interesting. Okay. Hopefully, at the end of the day, virus. No, 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 no. And exactly, Steve. Exactly. 51, 51, 51. Do, 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 do. Okay. That was a really good play, Jamieson. Well done. Do, do. Tesla. You average up to 51 for what? Random stuff for what? What did you average up in? 46 cents. Yeah, no, it stayed above 48. As long as it stays above 48. Uh, yeah, the low of the previous candle, exactly, Yogi. FFIE, your average is 51. You average up to 51 cents. Hmm. Anyways, Ken, appreciate the about joining. I'm telling you that you should join. Membership is nothing compared to what you'll make once you do some learning. Absolutely, Ken. Absolutely, right? Ken is a Goats member, by the way. So let's Goats, Ken. So yeah, if you're not a member again, come join us in Discord. Right, the membership will pay for itself. Random stuff. I can 50 shares. Okay, just 50 shares. Okay, I mean still not sure why you're averaging, but Hopefully, we stay above 48 cents then. It's consolidating random stuff. Yes and no, but yeah. So stay above 48 cents, please and thank you. Um, yeah, stay above 48 cents, please and thank you. I'm just surprised why your average is 51 cents. Is not that your entry is bad. I'm just your average is 51 cents. You're averaging up to 50 cents, right? So this entire time you were just watching it. But yeah, 48 cents for support for now. Let's go. Jackson says membership has paid for me. 10 out of 10 will buy again. Let's go, Jackson. Let's go. Let's go. So again, if you're not a member yet and you see the members make monies and you're like, but how come you guys are making monies without me? Oh my God, why? Become a member. Come join us. Click the link from Ninepod. Come join us. No, 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 no. Sing is now pumping too, isn't it? Hmm. Sing, not since musty. Sing. And there goes WENA again. So WENA has done a good job just holding about 340. So if you're still holding WENA, type in yes in the chat. I just want to see if you're still holding WENA. Type in yes in the chat. I like how it's holding 340. I wanted to get back about 380 though. Right. So if you're still holding this, make sure that thing doesn't go below. Make sure it doesn't close below 340 because if it does, you might have a bit of a problem. Right. So the low today is 333, so you could also use that level as well if you wanted to, right? 333. You could always also use that as like a last line of defense if you wanted to. If you wanted to, you could use that to growth. Okay, let's see. 78. Okay, perfect. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. Yeah, it's holding up really well. It just needs to push. It needs a bit of a volume to push back above 380. For morning secrets, Jackson, there you go. There you go. I mean, most of the time, by the time the market opens, a lot of these stocks are kind of sitting very high already, right? Please send me the link to join the Discord. Legend, thanks. Abraham, okay. DKKM, yeah, I'll send you a link here. Just follow the steps in the getting started channel. There's also a video in that channel to help you connect. So if you don't see all the channels, you just have to connect first. That's the link. DKKM. Sing. Yeah, it's crazy how people always pay attention to stuff like that, right? So it looks like we are holding 48 cents, guys, right? 48 cents, that's the last resistance, right? 48 cents resistance breakout, retest, and then back to 51. So hopefully it stays above 40. Yeah. But you won't have the 4 day trades Robinhood gives you. 4 day trades? What do you mean? Uh, this again in this day and age, nobody should be complaining about day trades, please. Right? You should use a cash account, in my opinion. And we're failing at the 90 EMA there for FFIE for now. And look at this one. This one just got destroyed, right? AIEV. Make your monies, move on. Make your monies, move on, right? And Rivian said, "Thank you, but I'm going back to the abyss." Right. So support at 1530 for Rivian for now. GRDI highs of the day. JMIA highs of the day. Yes. Mm, yeah, Sing is doing well. Sing is like my turn, guys. My turn. Yeah. Sing. That's a really nice push. Very nice push. 51% penny stocks. Yeah, 14 cents, monies. Doesn't change the fact that the company has been spinning the wheel since inception. Eve? Absolutely. Absolutely. For Rivian, you have to lock in your gains and move on. You have to lock in your gains and move on. Lock in those gains. La 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 la. You did, Thomas? Okay. Okay, okay. Sounds good. Yeah, so Sing looks good. Highs of the day, 16 cents. 16 cents. And 469 was enough for me. And you love the 69. Pablo, I bet you Pablo actually sells at 69s, guys. 369, he's like, nope, I'm out of here. 469, I'm out of here. Yeah, another one of those penny stocks. Another one of those penny stocks. Mm, doo-doo-doo. Oh, yeah. No, we're still bouncing off that same demand zone here. If the thing just had volume to push above, just had the volume Azul to push, right? But again, the good thing is if you bought around this price, right, 340, 350, right, you're in a way better position than just randomly buying something that's dropping like a tomato, right? So it really, really needs to push back above the 200 though. For some reason, someone's holding it back. Someone's holding it back. Mel, the S&P really isn't doing anything out of the ordinary today. Yeah, like it's trying to get back to green, but your question because you have a position, Mel, let me know. So yeah, spy needs to get above. So below 550 45. It's not going anywhere. It's just gonna keep be range bound. So let me know if you have a position. Yeah, that's a lot of stalling at 25 26 though, right, Keith? Right, so that's a lot of stalling at the top. Like look at those candles, look at those wicks. When you see stuff like that, you know the dipskis is coming. So watch for 20 cents now. I say 20 cents, but really like 19 cents. Right, 1950 to 19 cents. A little bit of support there. Okay, back to WENA. Your short ES? Yeah. Yep. GRDI is cooking. Congratulations if you're holding that one as well, guys. Congratulations, GRDI. I mean, this one's done really well. It dipped and then consolidated and then curled back up, which is really nice, actually. Right, that's a nice looking chart, isn't it? Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that beautiful consolidation, right? Consolidate, curl back up, and then boom skis. New highs of the day. So congratulations if you're holding a GRDI. That's another one that a lot of you guys are holding. So that's good. That is good. That is good. WENA, I know, right, Musty? That thing needs to get above the 200. It's constantly failing at a stupid downtrend here. So it's having a hard time breaking out. A hard time. Yeah, Troy? Yeah, probably. Scams. I still want to look at that Tesla daily chart though. I'm gonna do that right now actually. Tesla. Yup. Tesla looks nice today. Oof. So there was a 200 and 196 the last time I looked at Tesla. So that's the level I was watching for buy buys. Yeah, right there. 196 still. 196, 197 for Tesla. And then 200 and then say goodbye Tesla. Right. That looks good. Anyways, GRDI highs of the day. Yup, dolls. It broke three. Are you in this one? Say yes. That looks good. So congratulations. That was a good breakout. $3. There goes $3 again. You end Keith at 208. Well done. Very nice. Good entry. Uh, the dividend on which stock? Random stuff. J. Whatever. Hopefully higher than what it's at now. I don't know why you guys ask for price targets on especially on a stock like MLGO. You know, Jay. Like that doesn't help you out in any way. Damn, the S&P is Spy said, "Hey guys, remember me? Yeah, I want to go green, please. I want to go green. I like green. My favorite color. Uh, yeah, it's tough because it's basically flat mail. But spy is always like pointing to up, right? Always pointing to up. So when you have those dips, probably good opportunities to go up. Good opportunities. There we go. There we go, Weena, guys. There it is. There is Weena. Finally. My goodness. Finally, guys. Finally. Again, do you see what we mean by like wait for consolidation, guys? Like wait for a level that even if you mess up, right? Like even if I screw up, like if I look at this damn chart, right, and I screw up, right? Like let's say I screw up, right? I'm like I'm just gonna wait for consolidation. Even if I screw up and I know that the support at 340, 350, guess what? I still make monies. Or like I take a 10-cent loss. Either way, I'm fine. So when we say wait for consolidation, wait, it's because we want you to make monies. We want you to be in a position where like if you get in and things go wrong, you're like, you know what? That wasn't too bad. There goes $4, guys. WENA is pumping. Let's go, WENA. Let's go, WENA. If you bought the dipskis for WENA, guys, type in yes in the chat. If you bought the dip for WENA, type in yes. Let's go, WENA. Love it. There you go. Azul has been in, waiting for the push, waiting for the push. GRDI also cooking, guys. Woof. My goodness, that thing looks nice. Right, so congratulations if you're in this one as well. La na 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 na. Let's go, CM. Brian, well done. Dylan, give me a high five. Come on. 360, Jackson, monies. Right, so and then take profits whenever you want, right? Scale out, scale in, scale out. Well, don't scale in. Take profits, get back in, take profits, in, out, in, out, in, out, right? So yeah, hopefully you guys are kind of understanding where like we're coming from when we say wait, be patient, right? Don't just jump in. You're gonna end up holding bags. Yeah, K-Tran's a nice one, Jameson. It's been slowly pushing. FFIEs are 44 cents, guys, right? As soon as we break below 48 cents, guess what? It's almost like the money's leaving WENA, going to FFIE, FFIE back to WENA, right? So again, like I said earlier, like it's eventually it's gonna dip skis, right? Eventually it's going to dip skis. So hopefully you're taking profits. Hopefully you have stop losses. Blah 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 blah. 1366J, what's your stop loss? Don't scale a winner. It's not a fish. No, don't scale winner, guys. Just anyways. But don't know what to do. Consolidating for a bit, slowly going down. Keith, don't let it go back to 16. Is step number one, right? Put a stop loss somewhere all the way above 18 cents or something. Alrighty, GRDI, nice little push at 330, right? And then backed off. WENA needs to get about $4 at next and stay above it. In the sympathy play, Ronnie, okay. Made 1,000 the last couple of days, Jay. Well done, congratulations. Yeah, that's fine. As long as you're making monies, right? Again, like you don't need a like sometimes you don't need a stop loss if you have the discipline to take losses or take gains, right? Or if you're confident in your trades. Like you don't need to always use a stop loss. I always say stop loss because a lot of you guys let your emotions take over. Like, oh, I'm okay with $100 loss, and then we get to $100, and you're like, yeah, I could go to McDonald's with this $100, and then to the movies, and then to the lake, and then buy a plane ticket, and then go to so if you have the discipline, if you don't have the discipline that when it gets to your stop loss, you're like, I'm not gonna do it, then set stop losses. Did not find the group to exchange ideas early in the morning. Which package should you? It's again, it's Discord community, Amuri or Legend. Those are the two levels you need to sign up for. Um, Alrighty. So you can just if that's not the level you're in, just upgrade. Just go and then upgrade to a Legend or something. Alrighty. So click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. It's going to take you back to the same spot and then just upgrade. Robert, yeah, the split. Uh, my profit goal. I want to trade more, but I've exceeded my profit goal today, so I'm not gonna break my rule. Off to the gym. Pyro, come on, well done. Give me a high five. Good job. Love it. So yeah, that thing failed at $4 and then dipped. It's, there we go. Perfect. MLGO. Let me pull up MLGO. MLGO, and then Amuri. Um, let me know if you're still in the chat. Let me know if you're still in the chat, and then I'll send you an invite link. Mm, Uh, okay. Let's go, Aburi. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome to the community. Welcome to Legends. So Amuri, let me know when you get in the chat. I'll send you an invite link. Understand good buying points, Gelato. There are a lot of videos. Again, if you haven't been to the education channel, guys, I begged you guys last week to go into that channel, right? Gelato. Again, go to Discord, right? Go to Discord education channel. There's a video in there that says how to play momentum stocks, when to buy stocks. There's so many videos in the education channel. You might have to be a Legend member to watch those. I don't remember, but um, yeah. Let's go, Mark. Okay, I'm gonna go take a look. Amuri, let me know when you're in the chat, and I'll send you an invite. Did I miss Mark's message? I think I might have. Let me scroll up Mark. I made. Oh, let's go, Mark. Sorry, Weena. I made $4,000 on MLGO above the 9 EMA. Let's give 2 Legend memberships us. Let's go. Yeah, Mark. Let's do it, Mark. Let's do it. Mark made $4,000. Right? Is Mark a GOAT member, guys? Mark is a GOAT, right? Mark has always been a GOAT, right? So again, like the goats are learning and the goats are crushing it, right? Your education is paying for itself, right? Monies, that's monies, right? So these are people that are clearly investing in themselves and they're making monies. $4,000, yeah, right? CM, a goat making monies. Ken, a goat making monies. So invest in yourself, make monies. So the one-on-one membership is not $4,000, by the way. Maybe like after 3 years or something like that. But Anyways, Mark, thank you very much. Mark is giving away some memberships, guys. So we're gonna do two giveaways, and I'm gonna do the first one right now. Mark, let's go. Let's go. So the first one we're gonna use. Okay. I'm just gonna refresh it here because it's not gonna catch it. Okay, there we go. So let's go, Mark. First hashtag is hashtag WENA, guys. Hashtag WENA, because we said we would do WENA today. Yeah. Let's go. Hashtag WENA. Da, ta, 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 ta. Explain to me. It won't let me. It won't let you cancel your order, but it won't let me replace it. It won't let me do anything. That's weird. There we go. Hashtag WENA. MLGO's done really well today. Again, like Mark above the 9 EMA. Love it, Mark. Love it. That's a nice push, right? So if you're asking yourself, like Mark wasn't here asking me, hey guys, hey Blaze, where should I buy MLGO? What do you think is a good entry, right? Mark wasn't asking me like, hey Blaze, where do you think I should buy this? It's because Mark and I will have conversations in private on a one-on-one, and we know what to look for. Like, hey Mark, next time you want to buy a stock, look for this, right? So for those of you guys that are still struggling and you're not goat members, upgrade to goats. Get some one-on-one time. Let's do that for 30 more seconds, guys, and then let's pick a winner, and then we have another legend giveaway to do after that. Already, so it looks like FFIE is bouncing back up there. Beautiful. 44 cents above the VWAP, and then back to 40, almost 50 cents actually. Yeah, 50 cents. Nice. La 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 la. Let's go. Okay. If you are a legend member already, you can, if you're a legend member, you can give it away to somebody else if you want to. You can call your your family member and say, hey, I have a gift for you. Come join. Already. So are you ready? We can stop spamming now, guys. Let's pick a winner. Let's pick a winner. Let's pick a winner. Okay, let's see. So yeah, when you guys stop spamming, we can pick a winner. Alrighty. Okay. Ready? Roll it. T4. T4 has won the giveaway. Let's go, T4. Come on. Come on, T4. Where's T4 in the chat? I know T4 has been spamming. Let's go. Send me an email. Email at the top. hottradesx@gmail.com, and I'll send you an invite. I know, TK. Congratulations. So yeah, send me an email. hottradesx@gmail, and I'll send you an invite already. Send you an invite to join us in Discord. And then thanks, Mark. Let's go, Mark. Thank you very much. Really appreciate that, Mark. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. There you go. Okay, perfect. La 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 la. Amuri, are you in the chats? Let me know if you are. I still need to send you, unless you're having a hard time connecting. Amuri said we just go to goats, guys. Amuri says we go to goats. Fun time, sweet tea. Let's go. Amuri said, wait a minute, I want to go to goat. We go to goat. Let's go. missing out on a play, then getting in Gerardo. Yeah, I mean, again, guys, if that's happening, you need to go to the education channel or you need to become a GOAT member. First, go to the education channel. The videos in there on how to what you're looking for when it comes to entries, right? Like, right, all these one-on-ones, like the specific rules of what you're looking for when it comes to an entry. So if you're struggling with getting into stuff, go to the education channel, spend some time in the education channel, please. Pretty please. Amuri, let me know when you're in the chat, and I'll give you a and I'll send you a link and then to kind of tell you what to do. Ready? Amuri. Why is my thing really slow? Really slow. Don't let WENA enter you. No, WENA's still fighting it. We're getting a higher low for now in WENA. Higher lows, higher lows. There goes $4 again for WENA, guys. Ooh, WENA, higher lows, higher lows. That's a good looking WENA. Yes. Yes, WENA. Yeah, that thing needs to get about $4 though. Right? $4. Is Jeff in the chat? Jeff, are you in the chat? Let me know. There goes $4. Yeah, tapped. There goes 405. Come on, Cook. 410. Cook. Okay, perfect. Okay, T. Sent you an invite. 380. Okay, love it. Yeah, so that $4 is a problem unless we actually close above it, right? No. For Jackson, $618 gain, including losses. Great day. Let's see you all in DC. Let's go Discord. Let's go. Love it. Love it. Jeff is on the ladder somewhere. Yeah, yeah. So once you click the link, T4, and I'll kind of. Where's Amuri, guys? Amuri. Let me know when you're in the chat, please. So that's technically a double top for WENA then for now. Technically a double top. Brian, yes. Like it's one thing to break above resistance, but it really doesn't count unless we hold it, right? So it has to break and hold above that level. If not, hopefully we get another higher low. Hopefully another higher low. Yeah. So T4. Once you click the link, I'll give you a. Huh. Why those blue is my question. That is very weird, actually. T4, you should be good to go. You should be good to go. I think they updated the rules maybe. I could never eat like a plant-based, like McDonald's burger. There we go. Come on, send it, WENA, send it. Go, WENA. I could, yeah. Like honestly, if you're unable to like, there we go. For two, WENA. You can do it, WENA. Love it. Musty's smiling. Azul is smiling. Everybody's smiling, guys. Are you good to go? T4, let me know when you can see all the channels in Discord. Let me know. Nice push. Nice push. Make sure you put those stop losses higher, please. Like honestly, if you can't eat food, right? Like if you're unable to eat, like if you don't want to eat meat and all the other like things like that, like just eat like veggies. Eat like stuff like nuts. Like eat stuff that you get protein from, but like natural stuff. Like why would you eat something? I mean, I know a lot of food is like kind of genetically like it's modified, right? So but I don't know if I could ever get to the point where like I'm eating like lab made food, like fake burgers. Like come on, I don't think I could ever do that. I'd rather go in the fields and like eat grass with the with the cows. But that's just me though. And then 10 years down the road you're sick, and then you're like, I wonder why am I sick? I'd rather eat grass than rather eat grass and nuts. Tennis, no. No. There goes 420, guys. Ooh wee, look at that beauty. $4.30. Let's go, winner. Let us go again. All of this comes from like just being patient at the open, guys, letting the stock crash. Let it crash. Like I kept yelling this morning, like let it go to zero if it wants to. I don't care. Let it go to zero if it wants to. We don't really care, right? But then all of a sudden we're consolidating. It's like, oh, okay. 340, 350. Okay, maybe I need to start looking for an entry, right? And then boom skis. Right? So for all of you guys that rush to jump into stocks at the open, like there's no need for that, right? Let's go, dolls. Give me a high five. Made a quick $75. Membership. Let's go. Well done. Uh, yeah. But guarantee no one is trying to make a taste like a carrot. Like like any like whether you're a vegan or like a vegetarian or like a carb, carb. It's not like not a carnivore, obviously, but uh, like whatever. I was trying to make a joke, but I wasn't sure what it was called because I heard it somewhere. It really doesn't matter. I'm just saying like there are ways to find like natural foods, that fit that group. Good morning to Van. Right, the ways to find something that fit that's big. Yeah, no, not that. Like people that only eat like bread, carbs. People that say I like chips and stuff like that. Like I like eating carbs only. There goes 440, guys. Love it. Looking good. Looking amazing, right? Looking good. As soon as you get close to 445 to 450 per van resistance, yeah. Some people like to eat wheat. I mean, anyways, no comments. Let's go, Didi. Come on, give me a double high five. Where's your sister? Tell your sister to give you a high five. Come on, well done. Look at this, guys. We're learning, right? Together, Didi. We're making monies together. We're learning together, and we're crushing it. Love it. Keep crushing it, guys. Keep crushing it. Love it. Right? That's what we're here for. Right? So for those of you guys that are using this community as like a stepping stool, you're asking questions, you're wanting to learn, you're looking for ideas, congratulations to you. Right? If you're in this community and you're simply just looking for when buy, when sell, when buy, when sell, I will slap you in the face, right? With the winner. So please, right? We learn together, we grow together, we make monies together, and then we go get and then we go buy Wall Street. Deal? Deal. So if you have questions, keep asking. Let's keep learning together, please. I mean, like Wena, like this, like WENA, Erica. Come on, get your mind out of the gutter, please and thank you. Get your mind out of the gutter, Erica. So yeah, unless something crazy is happening, guys, I think from here on out, like we're gonna do, like we're not gonna be on YouTube at the end of the day. We're just gonna stream in Discord again, legends. all right, in the Legend Voice channel. Cool, cool. Like unless something crazy is happening that we need to like, you know. If not, we're just gonna use like the end of the day, like the power hour streams to do education sessions or like to look for ideas, right? Or to play stonks, stuff like that. Alrighty? So yeah, most likely. Like, unless something crazy is happening that we need to. My mind is my mind resides in the gutter. Unless something crazy is happening, yeah, we're just gonna be, you know. So if you're not a legend member yet, we're gonna be in the we're always gonna be in the legend channel, in legend voice. And then as time goes on, we're gonna, you know, at some point in the future, we're just gonna do legend. Like some days we're gonna be on YouTube. Some days we're gonna be in the legend voice channel. So you notice how the like everything is pointing towards legends. Yeah, that's because we're legends and goats, right? Legends and goats. So uh, random stuff. You send me an email. An email for what? Uh, are you connected in Discord, Dustin? Like, do you see all the channels in Discord? Let me know if you don't. Like, I do you see all the channels? Because I haven't seen you type in Discord. Uh, uh, yeah. I would again. So I would, Dustin. I'm gonna send you a video. Okay, that video should help you connect to Discord. I just sent you a video. In the meantime, go to the education channel and spend a lot of time in the education channel, please. Yeah. Do I want to laugh? I don't know, Virus. You and Dan, I don't trust you two. Mm-mm. You haven't looked at, yeah, you need to spend time in the education. If you're still struggling, you need to spend time, right? Yeah. So go to the education channel, especially over the weekend. Like learn, 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 right? There's a lot of videos, there are a lot of educational things. If you don't see all the channels in Discord, there's a video in the getting started. You don't see the channels either, T4? I wonder why. Refresh your Discord. Refresh. You had a role with you might have done it. Yeah. You clicked on it twice. I think that's why. Okay, refresh your Discord, please. I'm not sure why Discord is doing stuff like that, but yeah, refresh your Discord. Refresh. No different thing. Okay, sure, sure. Virus. Mark says, "Sorry, Weena, I made another $550. Let's go." Above the EMA, come and learn, right? Love you people. I'm off to a meeting. Look at this, guys. Mark made $4,000 on MLGO. He just made another $550, right? That's two different trades. On each of those trades, the gold membership paid for itself. I don't know what to tell you, right? Mark is cooking and he's gifting memberships. Gifting, gifting. You don't see the voice channel. It's a voice channel. If you're a legend, if you're a legend, you see it. You should see it though, even if you're not a legend. It's called the Legend Voice. Mark has a meeting with a Lambo dealership. Yeah, like Mark always like, you know, people like Mark amazing because they always want to learn, right? Like Mark will be sitting, Mark will be driving to like to a location, right? He has a meeting somewhere, uh, you know, he has a meeting somewhere and he's sitting in the Tesla. And you want to know what Mark is looking at? Mark is busy sending me screenshots of charts. He's like, "Does this look okay? How does this look? Why the damn Tesla is driving?" To have some more fun with the group. Let's go, Mark. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, take a look. Canadian CPI. I don't really care for Canadian stuff, honestly, Bondi. The only thing I look at is Canadian interest rates. But yeah, don't really. I don't really. Canada. Anyways, yeah, yeah. T4. Does it work? Let me know. Uh, oh lordy, virus. Yeah, they of course they do. Of course they do. Like it's yep, very sad. Uh, yeah, 450. Yes, Brian. It's about to take off. Air rod. Okay. I don't really look at anything Canadian, honestly. Canadian CPI, Canadian markets, anything Canadian. Nah, not interested. Not interested one bit. Don't click on the video T4. All you need to do is make sure that you can see the channels. You will not have access to any of the videos on YouTube, any of the educational videos. Those are, I can give you access to Discord as a Legend member, but I cannot sign you up on YouTube as a Legend member, right? Because I don't have control over stuff like that. That's all YouTube, right? YouTube is like pay me and I will give you access. So that's out of my control, but I can give you access to Legend member benefits in Discord though. That's what that is. You see the channels? Okay, then you're good to go. You're good to go. The videos, you can join the educational sessions and the streams, member only streams and stuff like that. But anything else, like on YouTube side, that's out of my control. Yeah, yeah, exactly, Troy. So are you connected though? Random stuff. You can see all the channels if you can. Good, and then just go watch some of those videos. Okay. Uh, Straight up, CVN is crazy. Crazy, crazy stonk. Crazy, crazy stonk. Crazy, crazy stonk. Is Tesla still bouncing, guys? Yeah, Tesla still looks nice. Nice, Tesla. Tesla just needs to get above that 200. When was the last time Tesla was above the 200 virus? Yeah, $234 was the last time that thing was above. River, it is. It's under the education. So it's at the very bottom of the education list. So there's that green bubble that says education at the very bottom. It's in there. Legend voice. So when you're in Discord, guys, and some channels disappear, most likely it's because you've clicked on the main channel and then it's hidden some of those channels. So you just have to click on the main channel again, and then it opens up the whole list. So sometimes your channels will hide themselves because. But also, you should be, if you're a Legend member, River, you should be able to see it. Uh, yeah, but if you're not a Legend member, you should still be able to see it. Yeah, you should still be able to see it. If you don't, then I don't know. But you have to be a Legend to join it anyways. So investment account and a swing for like weed because it moves on the TSX with CGC. Just if you invest with conversion, yeah, Veronica, no, I completely understand that. Yeah, Huts has been doing well. Hot, 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 hot. Maybe it's gonna break out. Yeah, like 1550 West. WENA is still just relaxing, guys, around $4. So that's a good thing. Like WENA is still up 150% for the day, guys. That's really good, right? Just waiting for that next for the next vibe. Just waiting because you know it's coming. GRDI is still just consolidating at 280, so hopefully it stays above 280. FFIE, guys, there's now a double top at 50 cents. So if that thing is going to do anything, it needs to clear 50 cents. And then you have a double bottom around 45 cents, right? So 50 cents versus 45. Azul says, is we now long hold? Uh, I was about to say something. Uh, it says you need to connect your microphone. Maybe. Yeah, that's if you want to chat. You should still be able to listen though. But you might not be able to chat because your microphone isn't connected. You don't need to like you just like your computer microphone. If you join on your phone, it's not going to say you need to do that because your phone is going to give you access. Yeah. Is Weena a long hold? Azul is joking, by the way. Okay, there we go. 420 Weena. 420. Come on. Just go already. Sheesh. 422. Let's go, Weena. You have a limit, Brian, at 449. What's your stop loss at? What's your stop loss at? Okay, River, there you go. Yeah. So yeah, at the end of the day, we can, if nothing crazy is happening in the market, we can always go to the Legend Voice channel, and then do stuff in there, right? Like education sessions, or just watch the market, like just relax and watch the markets. And if anybody has questions, good to go. Love it, Brian. So if you're not a Legend member yet, upgrade to Legend, right? Legends. Is Amuri in the chat yet? Sheesh. He upgraded to goats, but I haven't seen anything. I haven't heard anything from him yet. Nothing from him yet. There goes another dipski. So it's having a lot of issues in that supply zone there. If that thing can break above 430, I think it's going to go to 450. But for now, yeah, it's having a lot of problems. Teasing. Musty, I did not. What did your comment say? I bought one Nvidia put for Friday. Oh my goodness, one Nvidia put for Friday, 117. 117 for Friday. Wow, wow, wow. Musty's in with the puts. Yeah, that's a nice put though. I mean, it might be really soon because today is already Wednesday. Like, it's already Wednesday, right? So you're gonna need a fat slap, but Nvidia could do it. If Nvidia pumps at the end of the day, though, you're done. Like if at the end of the day Nvidia is sitting above 120, 129, 130, especially, those puts are done. You might as well say thank you for the donation, right? Yeah. Yeah, trying to. So you need the end of the day today must need to be a sell off, and then you can make monies tomorrow. CMAX. Uh, there we go. uh, oh my days. Violence. Anyways, FFIE pushing back towards 50 cents. So 45 is holding, 50 cents needs to break. 50 cents needs to break. Don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already, please, and thank you. I would really appreciate that. Alrighty, let's get to 200 likes, guys. Come on, smash a like. Yeah, so smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom. From Nightbots, come join us. Come join us, please and thank you. Again, Amuri, if you're in the chats, maybe I'm saying your name wrong, but Amuri. Anyways, if you're in the chats, let me know, please, so I can kind of give you instructions on how to schedule your one-on-one and how to join Discord. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. There goes a 50-cent test. 50 pennies. And now WENA is just playing with, $4 still. Below, above, below, above. Candles like that are very annoying. Because it wants to go, but then it's dropping to the abyss just so it can hit stop losses and then it's exploding back to the top. That's frustrating. Right? So 425, 430 resistance for WENA. If WENA can break above that range, okay, let's see 450. Yeah. Is another upcoming money making DJ. What's your position? And it does need some mango. Mango. There we go. 427, 430. OPTX new session highs. Finally. Interesting. Anyways, yeah, let's see if this candle can close about 430 here and then send it. Give us more, please, Mike. Let's go, WENA. Let's go, WENA. Let's go, WENA. 428, 429, 432. Close above, please. OPTX. Let me pull up OPTX really quickly here. Not bad actually. Yeah, that was a nice little cup and handle break. Straight to resistance though, right? That's pretty good. Right? Resistance, resistance, resistance. Cup and handle, right? And then boom ski straight to the supply zone. That was a nice pop off the 200 as well. Cool. WENA still needs to close above resistance. It hasn't done it yet. La, 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 la. $58 Roku. 22 per contract. Nice money making DJ. You're just wondering if there's another push coming. $58 calls. When did those calls expire? You bought those? Yeah, that's a nice looking chart for Roku. Beautiful demand zone there. Oof. Is that a double bottom? Yeah, look at that. All the way from like May 2023. Dang, nice. Yeah, when did those call? They expire in the 28th? Oh, okay. Well, you're gonna need to sell them soon then. Yeah. The chart does look good though. So if I were you in that same position, I'd be waiting to see how strong we close. Like if we're pumping into the close, you can make a decision tomorrow. If you see any type of weakness, you might have to take your profits soon, just because you don't have a whole bunch of time. Anyways, we not failed at the same resistance again, guys. Surprise! Same stupid resistance. This is becoming annoying now, isn't it? Up, down, up, down. Winner's like, I need more. Yeah, Derek, I would call you broker. No, it's tired now. It's tired, but hopefully it can break out though, because it's giving us some nice higher lows, Dan. Right, nice higher lows consistently. Right, higher low, except for this stupid candle. And then it bounced up that double bottom above the 200. So there it goes. Come on, WENA, you can do it this time, maybe. Come on. 430, 431, going once, 433 going once, 434 going once, going twice, and sold. 439, guys. Ooh, 444, WENA. There goes 450. There goes. It's a nice push. I mean, nobody likes a tired WENA. Ooh, look at the size of that candle. Some of these candles are a little bit sketchy. So 450 resistance. So just be mindful. La 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 la. 445, 448. Come on, you can do it. 449. You can do it. 450 resistance. Come on, break it, break it, break it. It's because it got mad at Dan. You know, Dan is like nobody likes a title winner. It's like yeah, oh yeah, you think so? I'm not a title winner. I'm a strong winner. I like to win. Anyways, let's go. Yeah, so 450 resistance. See if we can break about that. There we go. 449, 450, 451, 455. Can we close above though? That's the question. Not yet. So that you can end the week in the green, Sean. Let's go. Well done. What did you get in ad? What did you get in ad, Sean? Not letting me cancel. Yeah, yeah. If you're having issues with your broker, the best thing to do is call them. Say, hey, like, what the hell is going on? I need help. Right? See you in the morning, Ross. See you in the morning. See you in the morning. We know. Yeah, it needs a bit more of whatever it's taking at 450. Limit sell didn't fulfill at 449. How? How did your limit not sell at 449? That thing was at 455 and your limit at 449 didn't go through? That seems a bit sketchy. 370, but early in the week, you gambled and lost, Sean. That's why we keep saying stop losses. Again, guys, think about it, right? Let's use Sean as a guinea pig, right? Sean, you're a guinea pig, okay? You got into this stock at $3.70, right? This stock is currently sitting at $3.40, right? If you took your other gambles and you took a 10-cent loss, you took a 20-cent loss, this erases that really quickly, right? Your thing should be filled now, Brian. Robinhood, is it still not going through? Robinhood seems like a it should have gone through now, right? If your limit sell is at 449, the stock is at 450. Your limit should have gone through, right? Take small losses, Sean. Take small losses. Use stop losses. It still hasn't gone through. Damn. I mean, if you really want to sell, just cancel it and then sell it market, right? Oh, that's scammy. Oh, give them a call like right away. Like, hey, what the hell is going on? I want violence. Give them a call. Like, if you really want to sell at that price, sell in market or give them a call. Cause look at it now, right? It's dipping a bit. That's pretty stupid. But take smaller losses, right, Sean? Take smaller losses. If you took a 20-cent loss on your gamble, guess what? From 370 to 450, easy monies, Sean. We keep telling people to take smaller losses. Like you don't run the markets, you don't control the markets. It's funny enough. Like Rob and I were talking about this last night. Um, we had a chat with some dude emailed us, and they're making like a brand new streaming service, but like just for like just for financial stonks, just streamings, right? So to kind of compete with like the YouTubes and the Twitch and stuff like that. So we had a chat with and so like the dude worked for Twitch and then he worked for Meta. So we had a chat with the dude. He was like, what would you guys like, right? Stuff like that. And then after that, we were just talking about like like some just books and one of the books we were talking about was like it was a book called like just you have to become like I don't know what was it called again, Rob? You have like mastering the art of losing. Like you have to become the best loser, right? And that's what the market is. You have to become really good at losing, right? It's like some of you guys are terrible at losing. You're terrible, horrible losers. A lot of you guys are horrible losers. You don't like to lose. If you lose, you cry like a baby, right? You're like, but man, I don't want to lose, right? you have to be okay with like taking that 10-cent loss and moving on, that 20-cent loss and moving on, because the longer you hold it, the bigger it becomes and the harder it becomes for you to, you know. So please, right, become better at losing. The day you become good at losing, that's the day you're going to turn your trading around. You're going to be let's go, come on. Ooh, we musty. Let's go. Love it. Uh, let's go, Rodney. You got stopped out. 239. You made $400 today. Give me a high five. NYCB. NYCB. Look at this. Like, again, 450 resistance. It broke above. Yes, that's cool. But if you had your stop loss tied to that level, it's back to $4, guys. Right? There's no need to diamond hand these things. Your next support is right above like 380. So 385. Let's call it 385. Right where that 200 is sitting at, right there. And there goes OPTX, right from resistance straight to the abyss. NYCB. Isn't this one of those banks? 15-cent premium. I want to go back up and see your previous comments. $4 calls expiring. Okay, sounds good. I bet you these stocks are going to be nice in the future when these dudes actually start cutting rates, you know, Yi? This one is a gamble for now, though. Like, it's a gamble off support, which is nice. I think as long as it stays above 280 IE, I think you're fine. As long as it stays above 280, you're fine. But it's for sure a gamble, though, because I'm not sure what the catalyst would be on a name like this with this big of a float, right? 900 million shares, right? I'm not sure what the catalyst would be to pump that thing up. Really not sure, other than like interest rates, but that's not coming. So for now, it's maybe somebody knows something with those, with the open interest. But for sure, gamble though. But like I said, like it's sitting at a level that it's had multiple rallies in the past. Like of this level, it's had multiple runs of this level in the past. So that might not be a bad gamble as long as it stays above it. And then yeah, I can see why you're looking at $4, right? You got a feeling in your core. Okay, no, that's good. I mean, it's gone from that level to $4 once and twice. So maybe the third time, hopefully. But for sure, a gamble though. WENA, $3.80. If you took it again, move your stop loss up, guys, on these plays. Right? Don't diamond hand. Move. Take what you can get. Move your stop losses higher. And tech to try and catch up to. An Excel OPTT. Good morning, FC. Oh, let's go. It did go through. Glitch or something, but you got 349. Give me a high five. Let's go. Well done. Because look at it now, right? Below $4. Congratulations, Brian. That really sucks, though. If your stuff is glitching like that, that really sucks. Because you could do some things, you can now say, oh, like I'm going to go. You sell the position twice, and then all of a sudden you're in a short position, and you'd be happy. But what if that thing keeps pumping? Like, it's just stuff like that needs to be fixed. Stuff like that needs to be fixed. Nah. Damn, where's the Muri dude that became a goats virus? Damn. Yeah, FFIE double top. Look at that double top at 50 cents. Right, 50 cents. Hopefully, no one's buying it at 50 cents. Right. Hopefully not. And then straight to the abyss. So let's see if that candle ends up closing above 43.70 though. If it does, then that's a double bottom. That's T strong, right? 4370 needs to hold. What is WENA doing? What do you mean chaos? Wait a minute. No, he's not even in Discord yet. Or they're not even in Discord. So yeah, it looks like FFIE is trying to hold a double bottom. Yeah, they're not even. Yeah, so winners. You guys are wild, wild, wild. OPTT. Look at that thing, bouncy, bouncy, guys. Nice. And the FFIE is still with that same candle. Still with the same candle. And WENA is really having like WENA is fighting to hold 380. So hopefully it does. Uh, uh, you forgot to set a stop loss, KT. Oh my days. Well, KT, that thing was. I mean, it's bouncing off a double bottom, like I said. How the hell did you get into that thing? Of like, what made you? What made you say, you know what? I'm gonna jump into FFIE at 56 cents. Yeah, FOMO, 56 cents, right? Yeah, always wait for the dip, guys. The dip is always coming. It's always coming. Oh, like always coming. It doesn't matter what stock you're watching. The dip is always coming. Even Nvidia, it's coming, right? So when you're feeding FOMO, just take your hands and sit on them, please. Because that thing basically went from 29 cents all the way to 60 cents, right? Good question. You wanted to scalp? That's not a scalp, right? That is not a scalp. That's just FOMO. But yeah, so next time if you're gonna jump into something, wait for the breakout or wait for the dip, right? Educated FOMO is the only way to FOMO when it's breaking above resistance, not when it's at the highs of the day. A good dipski buy that was 2 days ago at 117. I mean, maybe this is a retest of like 122, 124 for Nvidia. But Nvidia is going to need a strong close if it wants to do something. The hard way again, KT. Yeah. If you're gonna FOMO, it has to be educational FOMO. Right? Again, the videos in the education channel. So some of you guys need to spend a lot of time in the education channel, please. You're looking to add more NVIDIA virus? Yeah. Let me go back to OPTT, guys. That thing is cooking. Very nice. OPTT. Very, very nice. Interesting. Okay. 24 pennies. WENA is really losing that volume. Come on, WENA. Be honest and tell them you looked at WENA the entire day. Yes. Hey, what were you guys doing today? I was looking at WENA. Okay. Next Thursday is a holiday, guys. If you forgot, it's a holiday. You definitely should, Keith. You definitely should. You definitely should. Definitely. So that last dip was what 1950, right? Which is nice. So yeah, you definitely should move it up to a level you're happy with or slightly below 20 cents. Like if that thing is constantly going below 20 cents, then your stop loss at 18 cents is just a matter of time, right? So I think you should for sure move it up to a level that you're happy with. It's going for the highs that they did 26, which is beautiful, right? If you're happy with 20 cents, 19.99, 21 cents, 22 cents, set a stop loss at a level you're happy with, Keith, and then go from there. What $350 in profits out for the day until cash settles tomorrow. Things finally looking up, Brian. Let's go. Right? The market demands resilience, guys. The market demands patience. The market demands effort. You know what I mean? The market demands that you do something. Right? Brian is like, you know what? I made $350 today. Things are finally looking up, right? So you have to put in the effort. You have to keep showing up. The market will punish you until you follow the rules and you just keep you say no, I'm not gonna die like the Undertaker. You know, the market slaps you. You're like, come on, slap the other side, and then you come back. Right? You have to keep fighting and trying to learn. You know. And then the market's gonna say, you know what, this person like, damn, they just keep coming back and fighting, right? That's why we recommend when you start trading, start with the small amounts and learn the ways, right? Don't put all your monies in there because it takes one play and you're done, and then we find you under the bridge. You just told my story, Lauren. Absolutely, absolutely. Right, and Rob and I were kind of talking about this last night too. Actually, we were talking about like how, Rob kind of mentioned this. He was like, when he started, like again, so we kind of talked about how long it took us, and how we didn't have the tools or like someone to help us out. you know Rob was like it took however many years, like 10 years to get to a comfortable place, 5 years to get to a comfortable place, like with no tools. But then, we kind of talked about how some of you guys, like, it's been a month and you're like, damn, this is not for me, like I'm just gonna give up. This is not for me. So next person that complains about the market that's been trading for a month, I will slap you. See you tomorrow, Brian. See you tomorrow. Good morning, Sosa. Ayo. Ayo, ayo. There goes 26 pennies almost. 26 pennies, Keith. Almost. Almost. For futures, yes. For these small caps, these penny stocks, they love this market. Yeah. There goes 26 cents. Previous high was 27, right? But technically it doubled up at 26. So just be mindful. I hate the market. It's rigged against me. It's all screwed. Yep. That's also what happens when people join the market and they're like, but the shorts have to cover, right? But like this person on YouTube said, like it was going to this price, right? Oh, okay. So it has to go to that price, right? When you rely on other people, when you rely on like other factors that are out of your control, you're gonna end up saying the market is rigged. The market is rigged. Yup, the market is rigged, right? You just have to find a way to play the game. Like the market has been around since, like, before Pablo was actually, when Pablo said, when God said let there be light, and Pablo said, turn it off, I'm trying to take a nap. The market was there. The market has always been around. The market has always been rigged, and the market will continue to be rigged. You just have to learn to play the game, right? Just because you don't know how to play the game doesn't mean the market is rigged. um, yup. Exactly, Lauren. The market doesn't like you either, right? You don't like the market doesn't like you. The market just likes your monies. That's it. 150s, 726. Ooh la la. I remember the day they opened the market on Wall Street. Wow, Yogi, let's go. Yeah, Yogi's been doing this for a long, long time. You know, after Pablo, there was Yogi, and they're both criminals, crushing it. Anyways, funny enough, like I brought a banana today to eat, you know, but I haven't had my banana yet, so no Weena jokes, please. I just want to have my banana. How come the banana? Anyways, oh, hmm. Let me turn my camera off and eat my banana. Mm-hmm. 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 1987. Let's go, Yogi. I was a stockbroker during the October 1987 market crash. Oh, that's amazing. Wow. Bliss is eating a wiener. I am not. I'm not eating a wiener, guys. I am not eating a wiener. I'm eating a banana. Please. Do we have to watch that? No. That's why I'm setting my camera off. Next thing you know, I'm going to end up. Mm-hmm. I was let's go, traders. Come on, give me a damn high five. Come on. My goodness. $3,000 for the week. Love it. Love it. You made almost over $90,000 in your first 2 months of trading FFIE. It was only FFIE though, right? Yeah, a lot of you guys diamond handed FFIE and made a lot of money, but then you thought that's how the market was. It's just like GME and AMC. Like a lot of people made a lot of money in GME and AMC, and then they're like, okay, everything I buy, I need to diamond hand. It doesn't work like that. First 2 days, you made $90,000 in the first 2 days of trading. Oh my days, traders! My goodness. Love it. Amuri, let me pull up your name. So, um, are you good to go? Are you connected in Discord, Amuri? Are you good to go? Let me know. It was a flop. That's okay. It's not all that easy. No, no, it's not. But really good monies, though, traders. Glad you finally joined us. I think we have a one-on-one today, right? Do we have a one-on-one today? Maybe not today. Maybe not today. Tomorrow? Today, I think. Today? Today. Let's go. Monday? No, Monday? Okay. Okay, Monday morning. Okay, perfect. And Excel is cooking. Okay, let me move on. Monday morning. Nice. Nice NXL. That was a good breakout, actually. Really good breakout. Really, really good breakout. In and out, Sky. Good job. Mike. Yes. Anyways, Amuri, are you good to go? Let me know, please. You might be way delayed. If you're delayed, then oof, that's a nice push. NXL. iBio with some news. NXL has been spamming though. Hope giving it back, yeah, Gypskies. So 26 cents double top, right? So that's why sometimes you just take the profits at double tops if you want to, right? Let it dip to the abyss if it wants. There goes 369, of course. RGS is going for $22 again. Dang. Okay. RGS, yeah. Oh my goodness, 375 guys. NXL. Nice push. A very nice push. Good job, Sky. Well done. Damn, Jeff has been gone all day today, virus. All day today. WENA is still holding 380, which is like the last hope, you know? Below 380, you're looking for 340 again. Interesting. All we need is we need to say BITO a few times and he's gonna show up. Where's Jason? Jason, are you in the chat? Are you in the chat, Jason? Jason, message Jeff. Tell him to come on stream. Stop slacking. Yup, resistance. Keith, what's your stop loss at for this thing? What is your stop loss? But yeah, you can see the double top there, right? History doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. 26 cents. 21? Okay, hopefully stays above 21 then. Yup. FFIE bouncing, guys. Yeah, it's still holding that same support, right? So that support at 43.70. 43.70 for FFIE still holding. My shares I have at 29, 28. And buyback lower? I mean, I wouldn't do that because it's a long-term position for you. But if you look at the chart and you see that, like, you know, like you really see that there's solid resistance, then maybe. Damn, WENA just broke below and said, thanks, guys. Bye, all. Bye, all. Right? There's, again, you break below 380, you're looking for 340, right? Oof, my goodness. Let's see if 340 can hold again. Yep, again, set stop losses. If like no all jokes aside, if this damn thing is at $4.60 and you don't have a stop loss when you bought at 350, you're greedy. You're very greedy. You deserve a slap. Right? Like if you bought this thing all the way down and it pumped all the way up and you didn't take profits, you could easily be looking for another entry off the same level again, right? So easier to do that than just hold to the top and back to the bottom. Stop loss on WENA at 358. Why is your stop loss at 358, Gar? Why is your stop loss at 358? Why? Is my question. Why? Right? The stock is at $4. Your stop loss is 40 cents lower, right? On a momentum stock, right? Hopefully you're not taking a loss. Right? That stock was at $4.60. Right? $4.60, and your stop loss was $1 lower. Like a whole dollar lower. That's unacceptable. You're in at 328. Yeah, still unacceptable. You're getting out of this position in the green, but you left a lot of money on the table. A lot of money on the table. Right? Yeah. If I don't answer, it's because I missed it. I most likely missed it. I did. Right? So, like if the stock is at 450, your stop loss should not be at $3.50. That's way, way too low. Right? So you have to be aggressive with your stop losses on these momentum stocks because you know they're going to drop. So take profits, go back in again for another trade when it gets to support, right? Yeah, exactly. FC. Yeah. If not, just do a trailing stop loss. Do a trailing stop loss. NXL is cooking though. Ooh, look at that thing go, guys. My goodness, NXL. Thing's about to break $4. Damn. My goodness. What should 450? No, you want to go below like a supportive level, right? So like even 399 would have been perfect. Like the stock is at 460, right? 399 would have been okay, right? And then your next support is right below 380 because that's the support. So you have to go below like support levels, right? We had to break about 330, right? So we break about 330 to 360. Maybe put your stop loss below the breakout zone. 419, 429, right? Not all the way in the abyss, because that's basically where you set your stop loss, in the abyss. Is it actually all-time highs, NXL? Oh wow, yeah, it is. Well, 52-week highs. Wow. Too bad it's not an NXU though. Musty's looking at this like, come on, just changed one letter. Musty, NXU. There goes a pushback to $4. $4.
I'm following Pelosi's stock trader, right? And they tweeted yesterday.
uh, yeah, $4. And FFIE is still curling. Nice little uptrend forming. Yup. Did we make it to 200 likes yet, guys? 200. Did we make it? Come on, 50 more people smash a like, guys. Let's get to 200 likes. Come on now. And then we're gonna hop off in 10 minutes or so. Uh, there you go. Chaos. So that there's a triple bottom now at 43.70. 43.70, something like that. Yeah, 43, 43.70, 43.50. Tesla's going back up again. Dang, Tesla. Today's Tesla day, guys. Today's Tesla day. What's damn? That looks nice. Tesla is pumping on its own too. Very nice. I like it. Now I wish I had more Tesla. Dang it, virus. What does a triple bottom mean? It just means the stock has been there 3 times and it's bounced off the same level. Just like a double top, a double bottom, right? Multiple times. NXL, dipskis, 50 cents lost. Right? Rally, 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 take gains, scale out, set tight stop losses, please. No, 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 no. If you're not sure what a triple bottom means, like any of these terms, go to Discord in the stock term, in the HT signal channel, and just ask, what's a triple bottom in the stock market? It's going to tell you with more detail. Damn, Sosa. Whew, nice. Congratulations, FTL. Well done. Very nice. OPTX falling. Yeah. Tesla. Tesla, Tesla. Mm, 337, and then you're jumping in. I mean, it's crashing. Yup, it's crashing. There you go. right? 337. There's like it's not consolidating or doing anything at 337. So it's just a random level you're buying. And then OPTT, 21 cents, right? This is why, like I say all the time, like nine out of 10 times, like your stop loss is gonna hit. Wherever you set it, it's gonna hit. Like if your stop loss is gonna hit 9 out of 10 times, how about like you just set your stop loss at a level you're happy with, right? At a level that you'd be happy taking gains. So you got home at 3 a.m., Lucas, or you missed monies today, Lucas. Messi cost you monies. He took your monies for tickets, and also, well, did you guys fly there or did you drive, Lucas? Hopefully it was fun though. Hopefully your son had an amazing birthday. But you missed monies today, Lucas. And the community, let's go, Sosa. Well done. Uh, Today, which profession in general was the worst at trading? Oh my, is this true, Azu? I don't believe it. Uh, which profession in general was worst at trading? It said doctors. I wonder why. I don't know if I believe that though. And I don't know where it's getting that rubbish from, but he posted it. Oh wow, okay. Oh my goodness. Winas. I mean, we are still closing above. Like it's closing the candle about 330. So 330 is your last hope. It needs to keep closing those candles about 330. If not, then issues. Some aren't risk takers. Yeah, you really don't want people taking risk on your life, though. Yup. On what? Weak sauce. MP? Yes, it is. Yeah, I saw that thing come off the. Yeah. It looks like NXL is bouncing off the 20, so $3.40 NXL, and then SFWL. Nice little bounce. Wena's holding that 330 for now, so that's good. $3.30. That's like your last line of defense. Last line of defense. Mbappe is Pablo's favorite player, even above Messi. 11 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna hop off in 5 minutes, guys. So yeah, let me know if you have any last questions. Again, we couldn't even make it to 200 likes, guys. That's very sad. Even on a day that WENA was pumping, we couldn't make it to 200 likes, guys. Some of you guys are slackers. Slackers. But yeah, so we'll hop off in a few minutes so I can go do some one-on-ones, and and then let's see how the rest of the day looks. Yep, yep. We had a lot of fun today. We made monies, and you guys still couldn't smash a like. Damn, guys. Damn. Maybe 200 people don't like you. I know, right? Damn, I'm sad. Not. Uh, not. Yeah, no, it really helps when you guys smash the like nice and early, because then it helps with the YouTube algo, you know? It really helps with the YouTube algos. So if you smash the like nice and early, guys, I really appreciate that. Give me a high five. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Greg. I did, Kel. That's gonna go to Jeff. That's gonna go to Jeff. That's what we've been asking for, Jeff. You know, where's Jeff? Where's Jeff? Jeff can bring the kids, you know. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Let's go, winners. Let's go. Uh, End of July, Kel. Okay, sounds good. That's good. Again, Amuri, make sure you send me a message. I still don't see you in the chats. You haven't connected to Discord yet, so but you upgraded to Goat, so you kind of need to. There goes WENA, guys. Ooh, WENA is holding. Nvidia is curling. WENA with a nice little bounce. So for now, that's not too bad, right? As long as 330 holds. Yeah, because they haven't connected yet to Discord, and then soon they're gonna send me a message. Cincy, musty SNTI. It's the same stock from yesterday. SNTI, pushing for the highs of the day again. Tesla, Tesla. Tesla, Tesla. Tesla has just been cooking today. And everybody's been saying this. Virus has been saying this. I've said this, right? Uh, Joe showed up in Discord yet in Stock General yesterday and said, "Ooh, Tesla looks primed. Tesla looked primed." Tesla looked primed. That daily 4 hour chart. Oof, Tesla, beautiful, absolutely beautiful, primed for boomskis. It's approaching resistance now, though, but yeah. Uh, Spice. Okay. Oh damn, Spice back to the green, guys. My goodness, look at that pump. Sheesh. Pump it, pump it, pump everything into the end of the day, virus. Pump. Anyways, guys, we're gonna leave it here for the day, though. Thank you all very much for the support. We will be in Discord and Stock General. Again, if you're not a member yet, come join us. Smash a like, hit that subscribe. And if you do become a member, there should be a link on the members only section there that shows you the link to join us in Discord. So you should be good. So Muri, again, click that link under the members only section on YouTube, right? And have a wonderful rest of the day, guys. If we don't see you again, be safe. Much love. Don't do anything virus wouldn't do, please. And catch you guys. Jay, see you later. Later, Steven, virus, and thrust. Dennis, until we thrust again. Until we thrust again. Alrighty, y'all. Much love. See you, CM. See ya. Alrighty, y'all. Azul, thrust with us. Thrust with us. Bye, guys.